are not meant to be directly copied. The authors and the Elcaro team are not responsible for any potential losses incurred as a result of using or interpreting the information provided in this video. The information presented in this video is intended solely for educational and demonstrational purposes. It does not constitute individual investment advice, financial guidance, or a call to action. All actions performed by the character in the video, including the buying or selling of assets, are based on the Elcaro algorithmic model and are intended to demonstrate the functionality of the forecasting tool. These actions are not meant to be directly copied. The authors and the Elcaro team are not responsible for any potential losses incurred as a result of using or interpreting the information provided in this video. The information presented in this video is intended solely for educational and demonstrational purposes. It does not constitute individual investment advice, financial guidance, or a call to action. All actions performed by the character in the video, including the buying or selling of assets, are based on the Elcaro algorithmic model and are intended to demonstrate the functionality of the forecasting tool. These actions are not meant to be directly copied. The authors and the Elcaro team are not responsible for any potential losses incurred as a result of using or interpreting the information provided in this video. The information presented in this video is intended solely for educational and demonstrational purposes. It does not constitute individual investment advice, financial guidance, or a call to action. All actions performed by the character in the video, including the buying or selling of assets, are based on the Elcaro algorithmic model and are intended to demonstrate the functionality of the forecasting tool. These actions are not meant to be directly copied. The authors and the Elcaro team are not responsible for any potential losses incurred as a result of using or interpreting the information provided in this video. The information presented
Hello guys, hello everyone, thank you for joining our live stream. Please let me know how the quality, how the sound, how everything goes. I'm not gonna put my phone to the do not disturb mode, so if something goes wrong as the previous live stream with the sound, just don't text me, because someone will text me. Thank you very much again, thank you for joining. Unfortunately, I didn't press the button so you wouldn't see the image in 4K. I forgot to do this, but I don't think that you are here to watch this face, to see my haircut, my something else. You're here to receive insanely accurate and insanely useful information about what the market will do on the next week. We are close enough to the end of the 2025. This was the worst year for the last 10, maybe 9 years in the crypto market, and insanely unstoppably manipulative on the stock market. We're trying to predict price. We're trying to predict dates. We're telling people when we're gonna buy, when we're gonna sell. We're not giving any kind of financial advice, non-financial advice. We're not discussing your problems. We're telling you when we're gonna do something, and we really believe that we're helping people not to lose money. We're not talking about the profit right now. We're talking about not to lose money, because too many people lost their money for the previous year. Like 5 minutes ago on my Instagram account, I made the joke about the guy, he wasn't my friend. He was just the guy from Ukraine whom I knew and who knows me. Do you remember 10th of October, the guy in Lamborghini Urus shot himself? I made a joke about that. If he'd been listening to us, he wouldn't have this problem. Unfortunately, that's what it is. If I'm gonna die, please do whatever you want with me, with my legacy, with my memory, with my name, with my pictures, with the news, why I pass away or whatever. It's not the topic. We live in the tough world. We live where nobody care about Logan Paul. He's gonna win, he's gonna lose. He knows what he's doing. He's making money. Nobody care if Andrew Tate win or lose. He's making money. So there is always something behind the scene, yeah? There is always the reason why people doing something. Yes, of course, everyone wants to win. But if you're losing, you need to lose with the profit. Just think about that. Nobody cares about the losers. But there is sometimes a reason why people losing something. So the main thing, we're talking about the profit, we're talking about the market, we're talking about the Bitcoin. Today we're going to talk about the Bitcoin. Where is Santa Rally? Everyone was expecting in October, November, December, etc, etc, etc. We're giving you dates. You can check all information, links in description about public channel, private group, how to get access to the algorithm, our TikTok, Instagram, etc. And of course, please be aware of scammers. There's a lot of scammers. So let's dive deep inside. Thanks everyone who's pressing the like button. Thanks everyone, especially Brian. Thank you for Brandon. Sorry, Brandon. Sorry. I don't know why I say Brian. Maybe it's some kind of my dreams, I don't know. Brandon, thank you very much for boosting our videos. We are insanely glad to see it. Oh, you know, before we're gonna go to the chat, to the chart, I will show you how I'm ending my week and how you can do the same if you've been listening to us since previous week. So this is the first picture. This is the first 36 through the week and 111 through the months. This is the second one. Please show me the other camera. This is the second one. 28 through the week, but here 100% win rate. 100% win rate. Here only 79% win rate, but I'm not fixing losses. Sometimes I'm fixing break even, sometimes I'm fixing like funding fees, etc, etc. I think this is a pretty good result online. And also there is one gambling account which I'm showing to people. This is on the same phone. I can open it. So for the last months I doubled the money on this account, and it shows to me $17,000. I put $16,000. I show people what I'm doing, and right now there is, oh my god, I don't know why I need to prove everything, but I'm trying to motivate you. Right now there is, for example, this position in the Bitcoin, that position on the Ethereum, and Solana, unfortunately, in losses. So still the small account in profit. Give me a second, someone texting me. Hello, I want to algo access. Hello, I will send you the message. I send it. So let's dive deep to the chart. Where is the chart? Here. Fast recap of the previous week. You can watch the previous live streams, but I need to delete everything. Yeah, okay, if you don't mind. Big moves, we've been waiting here. Big move starts. Yes, I was waiting that we're gonna come back to this zone. We're gonna go down. So I'm deleting the zone. We reach the zone here. We go down. Yellow down. Can I delete this line? Can I delete this line? I was expecting that we're gonna go down. I'm deleting this line. So definitely gonna be here. Yeah, definitely gonna be here. And the dates went to buy. Deleting. Definitely we was there and could be here. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. Could be here. We reached this zone, so I need to delete this one. Big movement, I deleting the sell. This one deletes. This one deletes. We don't need it. Something here. Even I think on the smaller time frames, if I'm gonna go back here on the 15 minutes, where is that? Where is that? Even this smaller time frames. Oh, I know when it was. It wasn't 15 minutes, it was 5-minute time frame. Take a look at this. I was doing this probably for Ukrainian group or United States group. So I was explaining to people what the price will do on the lower time frame. You know what? This was made on the 1-minute time frame. Let me show you. Right now I see that I made this on the 1-minute time frame. So if I'm gonna go on the 1-minute time frame, yeah, what the price will do. Just explanation for people what I'm expecting from the price. You waiting, and then price goes down. So every time I'm trying to explain on different time frames what I see, what's gonna happen, how I'm analyzing the price, how I'm analyzing the chart. Leave, okay, done. 4-hour time frame. So then buy. You all knew that we're expecting 17 plus minus 2 days. You all knew that. So 17 plus minus 1 day, it was 15. Here is 15, the bottom of the 15, the bottom of the 18, 19, 17, etc. On the private group, I've been telling people, like, we're gonna go up. On the previous live stream, 1 week ago, I showed to people how I'm opening the long position, how I'm fixing long position, how I'm opening short position. Like I showed, that's why this week was pretty profitable for me. That I'm showing to people, then we expecting moving up. This green line, can I delete this? It's done. Why it's here? Because on the 1 hour time frame, I'm showing to the private group always what's gonna happen. Why here right now we have this rectangle image? Because yesterday I was making the live stream and I was trying to explain people what I'm expecting. And right now, the most interesting thing gonna happen. So right now we have the things which I'm gonna tell you. Either we're gonna go up, up, or we're gonna go down and up. I don't care what the price will do. I don't care what the price will do. I will explain you. So if I'm gonna delete this thing, either for the next 1 day, and probably when the Asian session will start it later this day, in Asia it's gonna be Monday, we can move price higher to 90,000, then we're gonna come back to 88, 87, and from there we're gonna go up to 100,000, or we're gonna do this movement. I hate to give two opinions, but both of them telling to me that no matter what the price will do, from here I'm expecting moving up. Before that, we were expecting 21st of November, done. Before that, we were expecting price to go to 101, 83,000, etc, etc, etc. So here could be, just go back on the previous live stream and you will see how I'm putting all these things here. You will see how I'm putting where the price wouldn't be. So if we said to people that the price wouldn't be here, where is this? Won't be here until 19. You see this line here, that line. Won't be here until 19. It works with me. I'm deleting this. Won't be here until 19. I'm deleting this. Definitely not gonna be here and not gonna be here until 19. So yes, right now we're gonna discuss with you where the price would be, where I'm expecting the price. So could be here until 15, 17, 19. Done. I'm deleting this zone. I'm deleting this zone. Price could be here. I'm deleting the zone. I don't need the zone. I even gonna delete that zone, that zone, that zone. I'm deleting everything. What I show to people is gonna be. So right now, the only thing that I'm gonna expect, where the price would be in January, here. Both of these lines showing to me until when we're gonna go up. So this is the 4 hour time frame, yeah? I'm gonna hide the drawings. So we have movement up until the end of the year and then first week of January, yeah? Sounds good. So the end of the year, first week of January. Of course, I think we're gonna dive deep. We're gonna dive deeper about the Christmas movement manipulation and about the New Year Eve manipulation. But before that, just here and here, the daily time frame showing to me that we're gonna have one top, yeah? From 21st till, let's say 7, 8, 9, 11, 10 of January. So I'm expecting that on January, and I'm giving you few zones. On January, the price could be here. The price could be here. The price could be here. Or the price could be here. Right now, I'm gonna delete this one. I don't believe that the price will be there. Why? Because for the previous few days, we give update to the people won't be here until 30 of January. 30 of January, the price wouldn't be here. Right now, if I'm gonna be satisfied with your activity, with your likes, with your subscription, with your comments, something like that, maybe I'm gonna tell you where the price wouldn't be until 26, where the price wouldn't be until maybe first week of January. But right now, the only thing that I'm gonna show you where the price wouldn't be until 30 of January. We're not gonna go on the lower price. Why I need to tell you the lower price if we have forecasts showing to us that the price will go higher? So that's why I'm expecting price. The first stop will be, and I'm gonna put the middle of the zones, okay? If you don't mind. The first stop I'm putting here. And what is gonna be? That's gonna be my take profits. 99, 103, 108. 3 take profits for my account, for my long position, which I'm still holding on every account. So either we're going higher, lower, then we're going up, or we're going slightly lower and then higher. And when I'm gonna go on the 1 hour time frame, you will understand what I'm talking about. But right now, we still have few more dates, few more opportunities to buy something. For example, 2 days ago, I dropped the story for the Ukrainian Instagram. I showed them I'm drinking beer with my girlfriend. We're watching the movie. I'm trying to explain them how to make money. I'm trying to motivate them. And I'm showing to them. Right now, immediately, I'm opening Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana on the gambling account. I show you right now, 500 on the Bitcoin, 500 on the Ethereum, and minus 400 on the Solana. Not good, not bad. But still, small position shows what's gonna happen. I'm doing daily trading every day, but mostly people want to do only small trades. So why right now my position goes in profit? And yes, it could be opened by better entry. Yesterday for the private group, I showed to people, where is that private group? Guys, as far as I'm looking at the chart right now and analyzing Bitcoin volatility, I think that we go see price higher to 90, maybe 91, but stick to the price which we see right now, which all blah, 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 blah. From there, I'm expecting movement till blah, blah, blah. So what I'm doing yesterday at 8 p.m. Yesterday, 8 p.m. Where is the 8 p.m.? 8 p.m. yesterday. 4, 6, 7, 8 here. I'm expecting that as soon as, show me the screenshot, as soon as this guy will turn around, we have divergence 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more divergence. So I'm telling to people that I want to see price lower, but I'm not expecting 85. I'm not expecting 85. We go to 87. Before that, if I'm gonna go higher, guys, if you want to send voice message, okay, just catch scammers, okay, please, personal questions, please, please, please. Okay, I need to listen to this message. So I'm not telling to people to sell. I told people here, I have 0 short positions. Then I told people I'm opening supportive short positions from this zone. I'm opening supportive short positions from this zone. Small, 10 times less than the long positions. Because if we're gonna do that movement down, I'm just gonna hold this position. And on every live stream, I'm trying to explain people, hey guys, I'm expecting this movement. So yesterday I was telling to people that I'm expecting either here or here. It's still possible. Right now, I'm just telling to you that this line, that line, that line, can I delete that line? I think that it's, let's skip. Oh, no. Let's give few lines. Those of you who's been watching my yesterday live stream on the TikTok, like I'm doing live stream, I'm waiting for my girlfriend, I'm telling like, hey guys, we could go lower, but from any deep on the 15 or 1 hour, I'm expecting only movement up, only movement up. We go lower while I was waiting for my girlfriend, we go up, we go lower, we go up. I still expecting that we're gonna go up. Now I need to read every message. Name of your indicator, bro, and trading view from India. My friend from India, it costs $1,000 per month, even more. Name. He's saying like, I'm gonna use it like, I'm from India, I'm just gonna use it, Mr. Patel. No, Mr. Patel, it's impossible to use this indicator by name. It's impossible, it's invite only indicator. No. So every time when we're gonna be here, let's say 24th, let it be 24th or 25th. That's the dates when I'm gonna put either more money to the long positions or I'm just gonna fix my short positions. So right now, I do not expect price, as I showed you in the private group, lower than $85,000. I do not expect even 85, 600, 700, etc., etc., etc. I don't want to see price lower than this low. I don't want to see price lower than this low. So let's stick to the plan that the price could come back here, this green line. The price could come back here. Let me do this blue. And go up, or the price could do the same. We could reach that zone, come back, and then we're going up again. So I don't care what the price will do. I don't care. I'm even gonna delete this zone. I'm gonna delete this zone right now. I don't care. You know why? Because I'm in the long positions. So it means that from this zone, from that zone, I'm expecting only movement up. If we're gonna reach 84, 85, will be bad. Will be bad. But the manipulation on the Christmas Eve or New York Eve is possible. It's definitely possible. I'm trying to explain you that the main thing that you need to understand when we're telling to you that I'm expecting that the next week will go up. Don't break risk management. If you want to find the way when to buy, when to invest, use our dates. But don't break risk management. So if we have this zone, yeah, I think that it's fair enough to show you this zone. I'm expecting from every date over here, from every date, movement up. I'm expecting this movement up until these zones. The same as this green line shows. I'm gonna delete this green line right now. I'm expecting until the first 10 days of January movement up. I'm deleting this zone. I'm deleting this line because it's too dirty. And just mark my words. Today, 22nd, maybe 24th. 24th we will see on the 15-minute time frame. Give me a second. Oh, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna move all these lines on the 15-minute time frame, if you don't mind. And then only after this yellow forecast on the 15 minutes will update itself, we're gonna know when exactly it's gonna happen. But right now, I'm gonna give you only that type of things. I'm deleting this line, I'm deleting this line. You don't need all these things. You don't need all these things. I'm deleting this zone. I'm trying to stick to the easiest thing, and you will understand me right now. So if you didn't vote on 21st, we've been telling to you for the months. If you didn't vote here, or you didn't fix your short positions, just try to, it's not financial advice, but try to buy anything from 21st, like literally from today, and in my opinion later when the Asia session will start, try to buy everything from today till 25th, and I'm expecting movement up. I'm gonna hold my positions. The first holding will be until 27, because from 27 we could see the same manipulation on the New Year Eve. We could see the same manipulation. It's possible. People will be drinking, will be celebrating, etc. So I'm gonna buy anywhere here. I'm gonna sell or fix partly here, this date, 27 of December. Then I'm gonna buy back here, and I'm gonna fix everything closer to 6/10 of August. Once again, I'm gonna today 25th first fixation on 27, buy back or buy more 31st first, fix, close, long, let's say 6/11 of January 2026. That's my plan. That's my plan. Okay, thank you very much. Take care. Goodbye. See you next week. Basically, for people who want to have copy trading, for people who wants just to who don't want to understand, who don't want to educate, that's enough. Just go back to things that you've been doing before. That's enough. For people who wants to know more, let's dive deep inside of analysis, because we're gonna go and take a look what's gonna happen with the Bitcoin volatility, USDT dominance, totals, maybe Ethereum, Solana. I'm not gonna give you where the price wouldn't be right now. Maybe I would. Give me a second. I will check the previous. Happy Merry Christmas to everyone as well. Thank you for this. So, okay. Give me a second. We need to give you the information that we've been given to the people, yeah, on the private group. Okay, I think that you deserve this. You deserve this. 19th was the last one. Give me a second. Elcaro. Give me a second. Sigma. Oh, you know what? Give me a second, please. People already sent me the story which I posted. If this guy been using our algorithm, everything will be all right. I don't give a fuck, as always. It's a tough world. I need to find the sigmas. Yeah, let me try to find it here. Let me try to find it here. Sigma. Sigma, XRP, don't need Solana, S&P, gold, Ethereum, Bitcoin. So we have where the price wouldn't be. Where the price wouldn't be. 68% that the price wouldn't reach 96,000. Won't be here until 26th of December. 68% probability. Yeah, sounds good. And now we need to put price on 103, that probably 103 wouldn't be reached, but with bigger probability, 95%. Yeah. So we could be here. It means that I'm gonna put this zone and I'm gonna do this slightly lower. We could be here. We could be here until 26. Where is 26? 26 here. 26 here. So it means that I'm gonna wait while we're gonna be there. Yeah, while we're gonna go there. Why I'm expecting the price to go up? Because of the 4-hour time frame, because of the daily time frame trading filter. Daily trading filter, as soon as we reach the middle of the channel, you need to see how I'm dancing when I'm drunk, but still, as soon as this thing will turn to the green, we're gonna discuss. But right now, oh my God, why I moved this thing here? If I need to move it here, the 4-hour time frame going back. So what I'm gonna expect? What I'm gonna expect that until 26, we're gonna be here. That's it. Where I'm gonna fix my first positions. Where is this? Can someone edit this video with this guy who's doing like this? It was easy for me. The next week I will tell you, watch the previous live stream. You will see how I'm writing this, how I'm drawing this, how I'm telling you what's gonna happen. I'm pretty sure that it's gonna happen. If not, sometimes shit happens. Believe me, for the last a lot of months, especially June, July, August, September, October, November, December, we've been right. But the next time we could be wrong, because there is still probability to be wrong. Believe me or not, my friends. So I'm gonna expect this moment, okay? Enough with the Bitcoin, enough with the Bitcoin. I'm gonna go with Ethereum. So what do we have here? For the previous week, sell, buy, where I'm expecting, where the price wouldn't be. Can I delete this? Oh, why I should delete this? Because it's showing 26. 26, 19. 19 wouldn't be here. And where is 19? Wouldn't be here. Deleting this zone. 26, 26, 26. Okay, let it be like that. I'm still 4-hour buy. Fine. If you bought, fine. Sell. The last sell was here. Can I delete this blue line? Oh, of course, I know that I can. So I'm still gonna expect that the price could do one movement down right now, could do on the 1-hour time frame, but I don't think. So I'm gonna delete the zone. I'm not gonna expect this zone to be filled because I was expecting it here. This green line the same. We didn't reach this zone, but also we've been trying to tell people 19, 26, whatever, but the price wouldn't be. So it means sometimes, no. First thing first, we're not given any kind of signals. We're trying to show you what the price would do and what the price wouldn't do. So if we have this line, which shows me 23rd, but 26 will be somewhere here, it means that I need to wait while this guy will be at the top, and probably somewhere here I'm gonna fix my position. Then we're gonna go to the correction, and then we're gonna go higher. That's my opinion about the Ethereum. So I'm gonna hold Ethereum until the middle of January. Easy. Let me show you here. I'm gonna hold long until 15th of January 2026. Easy. For me, easy. I hope it's easy for you as well. I'm gonna hold. Can I do this? Long until. Okay. We're not expecting price here. We're not expecting price here. We're not expecting price here, but until 26. We're gonna make updates for the private group closer to January, because 26 first days of January, then closer to second, 9, something like that. So they will have updates. They will have updates. That's my vision of the Ethereum. We need to go higher, then we need to go to the correction, and then we're gonna go higher as well. I'm gonna hold my long position easy, nothing else. I don't think that we will see Ethereum higher than 36, 3800. I don't think, not right now, not right now. But if I'm gonna go with the weekly time frame, there is a lot of people who's like talking bullshit about the Ethereum 15,000 until the new year. Now they trying to change their opinion. They talking about that we are in the bear market. Oh my God, we're going down. Like everyone, like the richest, the most insanely smart people on the Wall Street, they talking about we are in the bear market when we are already down. So people didn't fix 4,950 when we tell them that there is not going to be $5,000. There is not going to be $5,000. We've been showing to you year and a half ago, when to sell. August, September, October. August, September, October. Not my business, not my money, not my losses, not my profit. So what I'm gonna wait? While this guy will be on top, the yellow line, while this guy will be on top, yellow line. That's what I'm expecting. But also, the one and only Labubu, I will show you. You don't need to see the forecast right now of the weekly time frame, but we will see the trading filter. So it means that the weekly time frame and 2 weekly time frame, like 2 weekly almost done, but the weekly time frame, daily time frame, and the 4-hour time frame, as soon as we're gonna be on the green, we're gonna go up. Why? I'm still thinking that there could be one more correction. Showing to you 1-hour time frame. Showing to you 1-hour time frame, and showing to you the green lines. If you miss all these entries, here is this, here it is. The green line will be here. 1, and let's do dashed line here, 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 and here. If you miss all these bottoms, if you miss them, then 22, 24, 25, 28. If you miss, if you missed by points 22, 24, 25, 28 of December, I definitely not gonna give you like alarm buy. I'm doing this for the private group. Solana. Let's talk about Solana. What was with expectations? That we are going, the yellow line, this is the daily time frame. This is the daily time frame. The blue line, this is the 4-hour time frame. The expectation was that we're going lower. Here I was showing to people how many times we reached this zone and why I'm thinking that we're gonna go higher. 19, nothing happened. So we need to give, we wasn't here on 19. We need to give only 22nd of 26, sorry, 26. Where is the Sigma? Where is the Solana Sigma? Sigma, Solana. Solana. Okay, Mr. Andrew. Let's do this, okay? If you don't mind. So we're gonna have 111.96. 111 and 96, and then we're gonna have 141 and 156. As far as I've been telling people on the TikTok and the private group live streams, guys, I think that the alt season will be closer to summer, but still we have a chance to see some kind of pretty good movement on the assets closer to April maybe. So if we're gonna put these lines, we need to delete this one. Okay, if you don't, I need to delete this line, I need to delete this zone. This zone was triggered already. I need to delete buy, I need to delete, oh my god, stop doing this. I need to delete this, sell, I need to delete buy. So we're gonna stuck between these zones. We do not expect the price to be here before 26, but the price could be here, and the price could be something like here, yeah? But we have one problem with the Solana, and this is the thing what I need to understand what's gonna happen with the price. I need to understand what's gonna happen with the price, okay, guys? So right now, I'm gonna put the red line here, and that's something that's frightening me with the Solana. But before that moment, before let's say 26, on the 1 hour time frame, we could put lines like that, that, and that. Yeah, the 1 hour time frame will show me more accurate entries. So I'm gonna leave this, just remember, this is the Los Angeles time zone, UTC -8. Make a screenshot, whatever. So what I'm expecting from the price. I'm expecting that the price could do that movement, then we're gonna go up. I would say that we could be here, and I would say that we could be here. Guys, we could be here. So it means that either we're doing that movement or we're doing that movement. Just be prepared for this. Be prepared for this. I'm gonna do this yellow if you don't mind. So be prepared. I cannot tell you right now how low the price of the Solana will go because the 4 hour time frame is the only time frame which showing to me that from 23rd we could go down till 29. If we have this movement, yeah, on the Bitcoin, if we have this movement on the Ethereum, so 29, something could happen on 29. Something could happen closer to the new year, yeah? If we have this, the Solana could go deeper than we expect. So please be careful. The manipulation. Yesterday video was called that a whole week will be manipulative. Take a look at all these candles that they've been showing to us. So right now, the cover of this video shows us whatever you can imagine, like Michael Saylor, Santa Claus, Trump. I even don't want to think what they can do before New Year. We have two biggest holidays where whole world people don't care about charts, people don't care about investments, people partying, somebody partying for the year, for the day, somebody partying for the couple of days. So people thinking about, I need to pay my taxes, I need to close my year, I need to fix profit, I need to buy more, I need to do something, and then I'm gonna say, okay, now I can rest, now I can eat, now I can drink, now I can do whatever I want to do. So that could be manipulations. The Solana doesn't look so good. If the Ethereum showed me from 23rd, we're gonna have correction, but the daily time frame showing to me that we still need to go up. The daily time frame here showing to me that we still need to go up. The Solana shows me that we need to go up, but take a look at how squeezed this channel. So guys, just be prepared that we could see manipulation on the Solana. Be prepared that Solana could give us pretty good movement down lower than 117. On the public group I drop, this is a pretty interesting story. If you want, you can go back here and you can find when I was trying to explain people. Sometimes people texting me about their positions, sometimes people trying to tell me like, please help me, and maybe at the end of this live stream, I'm gonna go through a couple of positions because I said it to the private group. People from private group send me their positions. I'm gonna probably go through them, but before that, for the previous 2 weeks, I've been telling to people that they will probably get liquidated. So here is the person sending to me picture. His entry price 129, his profit $64,000, fair price 133. It's December 17. So he put $124,000. Basically, in my opinion, this is the whole deposit. He's an insane profit plus 50% to his deposit. Then I have a conversation with him. I'm not gonna open this conversation right now. But 9.4 thousand people saw this. Oh my god. Then I'm telling to him, but the risk management is insanely bad. I have the conversation with him where I'm telling to him, dude, like, you doing stupid things. Price I'm paying for in exchange, will I get the returns or not? I don't know, depends on your trades. What means you also have doubt on your prediction? I was like, I don't have doubts. I'm putting my money on every day that I'm telling. I have brains to understand that there is probability that something goes wrong. Then I'm sending the voice message. Then I'm showing to people, like a lot of people sending me, this is my trades. Guys, always take a look at this. This is the name of the account. The same position, but true. Different, even different entry prices. I'm telling, I'm explaining, I'm trying to show people. Then I think that you could be liquidated. I cannot say anything else. It's not the end. I'm expecting price of 117. So basically the same time when he's in a huge profit, but he's not fixing the profit, I'm telling to him that you could be liquidated. We have one more manipulation, move down until tomorrow or even day after tomorrow. Okay, thanks, I will get under 117. Do you think I can save it? I know there is no guarantee. Of course, if you can put the liquidation price lower than $100, that's the lowest where I see the price. Oh, all right, I will put to 117.05. Then he sent it to me the next day. He sent it to me, hey, I survived. Hey, I'm glad to hear that. Did you fix position at least part? So it means, I will show you what it means. It means that he's opening his position on 129, somewhere here. No, not here. Somewhere here. He's opening 129. He's opening here. He's not fixing profit. The price going down. I'm telling to him that your price is 121 liquidation on the screenshot which I show you, the liquidation 121. That's why you could be liquidated. Put lower than 117, but better to be safer is to put 100. He's telling to me that I put 117.05. Here he's in insane losses. Here, if he didn't put 117, he would be liquidated on this price. Then the price going up. I'm asking him, December 18, where is December 18? December 18. The price almost reaching his entry price. So if he wouldn't do what I said to him, he would be liquidated with this moment down because his liquidation price is here. He's not fixing the break even. He didn't fix insane profit. 50% to the deposit, $65,000. He's using only the bot. It's $100 per month. He's not fixing the break even. And then I'm telling to him, I hope, like, hey, I survived. Hey, I'm glad to hear that. Did you fix part of your position at least? I hope your riding is going well, because I was riding the motorcycle for 2 days and there you are learning to drag knee on your bike. Yeah, I will. I bought the courses. I'm buying the private lessons. I will do this. I bought, there is the 2 costumes, 5 helmets. I'm putting my money not to be liquidated on the motorcycle. I'm trying to learn. So this guy, like the normal small talk conversation, I hope that you learning to drag knee on your bike. That's what I'm trying to do, but not sure the best way. I set up like whatever he's texting. I'm telling him no suggestions. I think you will be liquidated. I think you can be liquidated. I won't get up about 129.42. From there, I said, please stop. I waste a lot of time to explain to this person that he's doing stupid things. Then in the private group, I start to telling to people, that's why I'm not gonna talk with that person. Because before there was other person who's doing stupid things and I'm wasting my time on analyzing their position where they have insane profit, then insane losses. I'm like, I have a vision, you will be liquidated. Bam! Few hours later. So the price of his mistake of not fixing profit, the price of his mistake of not fixing break even, or at least part, I think he lost more than 200,000. You know why? I will explain you why. Because on this screenshot, we have entry price 129, we have liquidation price 129.66. So it means that this one, 129.56, liquidate his $123,000. That's the law. That's the fucking, like, someone in the cave with the fucking, I don't know, the screwdriver, put on the stone, he will be liquidated if the price will go lower than 129.66. It means that 129.51 liquidated. He's texting me after that. I managed to put my price to 117.05. It means that he'd put probably $100,000 more of liquidity to his wallet. He's not fixing break even, liquidated. So his words, it's not, even if I'm, guys, even if I'm gonna, there's gonna be 15 messages which I didn't answer. I will show you. Pat, take a look at this, 15 messages. Okay. The same. After that, he's buying the algorithm. Thank you for this. I will read your messages. I will answer after live stream. Sorry, I missed this one. That's it. I will read because he's asking a lot of questions about the algorithm. But the main thing, I sent him the message that there is the fucking support team who gonna answer your question about fucking algorithm. Period. Not Andrew. I don't give a fuck about your questions. And people will say, why are you so angry? Because people don't give a fuck about what I'm texting to them, and then 15 messages. There is the support team who gonna answer your questions. But the main thing, if this person will ever read the message that I sent to him, will ever read the message, there is the main thing. The first thing, read pinned message inside the group. Video, how to use manual, please, like, welcome to our private group, blah, blah, blah. Just, you know, you just reading how to use the vibrator. If you want to put it in your ass, you still need to read that because you're not going to put it vertically. It's hard to put in ass something like that. You need to put it like that. Use lubricant. Please relax. Do something. It means spend some time reading. The next one. Reading. Oh my god, 1 hour 45 minutes of video. Oh my god, I prefer to watch Truman Show. I prefer to watch new Stranger Thing. I prefer to watch what's new there right now. Yesterday we have a lunch and on the next table Matt Damon was sitting. The new film with the Matt Damon and his closest friend Ben Affleck in January 2026 on Netflix. People want just print money. So this guy, I'm sorry, Pat. It's not your fault, but you will help other people not to do the same mistake. That's the meaning, that's the main thing of learning and experience. I hope that people from your bad experience will understand that, oh, I'm in the private group, I'm not gonna text Andrew, I'm just gonna fucking read the pinned messages, or pinned, or how you need to pronounce this fucking word. How? Oh, she's talking to the dog. So it means you're just wasting your time, not mine. You opening this position, this fucking link, and quantum algorithm, and read. You know why? You know why? Because at the end of the day, the Andrew showing you $70,000 profit, and this is only 2 accounts. At the end of the day, Andrew's showing you how to make $20,000 per one trade in live. And also Andrew's showing, if you have small account, take a look at this, how big it is. And then if you have question about trending filter, digital filter, how to stream to, short manual, tutorial for new buys, like for people who's like, who's there? Oh, it's me, I need money. Here's the money. Like fucking Amazon delivery. Multi-time frame, set up a team, how to set up alerts. Hey Andrew, can you tell me how to set up alerts? I was like, fucking read pinned messages. There is hundreds of people, and I understand that not everyone was meant or born to be trader. I'm not the fucking trader. I didn't invent this algorithm, but you know what I'm doing? I'm fucking wasting my time on this. Sorry for such a long, disturbing, offensive 10 minutes crazy part of video. But it means if you want to make money, if the live gives you opportunity to make $60,000, some people fucking destroying their asses to make it through the year. You made this for 5 minutes. 5 fucking minutes. My girlfriend bring me the water, but I already have this. You poured there some calming pills. I know her. I know her. Calming pills. You reading, you using, you reading, then you going back. The next one will be video. Messages, I will show you. The first one, where's the first one? Watch this video if you don't understand how algorithm works. Andrew, the last video was made in January 17. Why the hell should we update something? There is the gas pedal, there is the brake pedal, and there is the steering wheel. What do you need more? You're not flying the plane with a lot of buttons. You're not updating how to walk, you're not updating how to pee, you're not updating how to fuck, how to eat. Just learn how to do that. Just, okay, I'm tired of my job, I need to spend 2 weeks of reading and watching. People paying money for this group, yeah? 680 people in the group. People paying money. They paying $100. It means that they have 30 days of information, of funny Andrew live streams, of, hey, I made money. Who told you that the price will go there? Hey guys, I'm waiting the price to go there. Hey, I'm like the fucking Pinocchio. But my nose doesn't grow because I'm telling people the truth. Even this fucking thing is the fucking truth. So people paid $100 for 30 days. It's the fucking $3 per day. $3.3. Your fucking coffee cost more. But still, I don't have time to read. Could you explain? Could you explain? Could you explain? Could you explain? You know what? It will be way more easier if you're gonna explain more to people only when to buy, when to sell. Oh, really? Maybe just I need to split my money like on the public group. Maybe I need to split my money on the people, like no matter from what country you are. You starving, you need water, you need air, you need new heart, you need new kidneys, you need new car, you need to pay your bills, you have a debt, you have this. Maybe I just need to send you money. Why are you wasting your time on this video? Come on. Andrew, Matthew, Cynthia, Lydia, what's your fucking name? Maybe I just need to send you money, it's Christmas. Come on, Andrew printing money. I will ask my rich friends to send you money in envelope, you know, the cash money, because it's still need to be withdrawn, taxes should be paid. Just get the cash, you know, like just the cash. It will be easier for you. Don't come to Los Angeles, I will bring it to you. I will find the person who's gonna deliver it to you. This will be the easiest way for you to make more money for your family. Oh my God, such a pity story in my DMs. I have 3 kids, I have 16 wives, I have this. You think I care about this? No. Once again, I made a post in my Instagram about the guy who twice in life shake my hands. I don't give a fuck if he shot himself. I don't give a fuck about this. I don't give a fuck if people are dying, if people are struggling. I care about myself, about my family. I'm doing too much to show people that there is easier way not to lose your money. So you're not gonna take something, you're not gonna do something to yourself. This is the easiest way to do if you just fucking use your brains. You know why I piss off? because there is people who's not using their brains. And then my friends telling to me, Andrew, why are you so angry? You know that there is a lot of people who's working hard to deliver to their family. They're trying to solve their problem. They're working in the taxi. They're working in the food delivery. I was like, I know. I was waiter as well. I was working hard. But then I said, I need to stop working. I need to start thinking why I'm using my hands if I can use my brains. Because there is a lot of people who's using their brains. It means, I told it to the Ukrainian, and I will tell you this right now. Back in the school days, I was not good student. I was receiving the middle grades. Соня, як сказати, типу, був довбойобом? Ну, типу, погані оцінки. Bad grades, yeah? Like middle or worst. At the last, oh my God, how to say that? The graduation class, yeah? At the high school, I said to my mom, Mom, I will prove you that I can graduate with the top marks. Like in Ukraine, it's 5, 12, let's say 100% marks. But there is a chance that some lessons, some educational lessons will be like 90, 95%. You know what I done? What I did? I just, yeah, English, probably I licked the pussy of the teacher. I don't know like why she gave me the top, the top mark, but still. I was just sit, think, and listening to the teacher. That's it. 0 time I made my homework for the whole 11th grade class. Or how to say that? I'm stupid, I don't know. I don't need to know all languages. Translate this. Я, блядь, нахуй не учился. Я просто слушал, блядь, учителя. И все. Я не делал домашку. Ask ChatGPT to translate this part. He will translate you. Because I don't know how to say, how to express myself in English. I'm trying, but it's not always happening. So it means if you're gonna listen, if you're gonna put, you know, if you're gonna ever be in the Central Park or in your park, in your city, there is the horses, yeah? Who's driving around the park. They all have this fucking shit on their eyes. You know why? Because the horse don't need to look left or right. She need to look forward. Some horses even blinded. You know why? So the horse wouldn't be afraid if the car will honk or if something gonna happen in the park. You know why? Because horse need to go around the park. And then people will say, oh, poor horse, I need to save this horse. Oh my God, please. With the signs, save the horses. Always the same. If you want to be blinded, tomorrow, Monday, go on your fucking job, stretch your ass, do whatever you need to do to provide to your family. You are a respected and honorable person. If you want something else, try to learn. Thank you very much for this. Let's dive deep to the chart. No offense, no fucking offense. We're talking about the money. We're not talking about your problems. We're not talking about my problems. We're not talking about anything. We're talking about fucking money. There is no way that somebody will give you money. 0 ways. If you still believe in the lottery tickets, in the gambling, do that. Why are you wasting your time on watching this video? Just go there. Maybe next time. Yeah. So we discussed about this guy, Pat. Thank you very much. Your situation will help a lot other people. We can start donation. We can start to gathering money on you. I know that probably you don't need money. Maybe you're a rich person. I think that you should be a rich person because you have $200,000. You lost them and you lost them with dignity. You was funny. You've been telling, hey, I lost a lot of money, but still I promote the fucking algorithm. You bought the algorithm, you're trying to learn, but the first rule of any conversation, if you're talking with me, fucking listen. If you texting with me, read. Because I'm not the fucking parrot to tell you once again, read that, read that, read that. I'm not your assistant. You're not paying me to waste my time to explain you something. If you don't know how to use something, then don't use it. It's easy. People texting me about some prediction. People texting me about some forecast. And I was like, hey, if you're new to the group and you don't understand something, skip that trade. Today, one guy texted me like, can you promise to me that I'm gonna get $100 if I'm gonna be in the private group? I was like, no. Why should I promise you something? Oh, so everything is the bullshit. I was like, yes. Everything is the bullshit. And I'm texting to him, you don't need group, you need $100. That's it. Hey, can you give me free trial version of this? No. But how can I be sure? Don't need to be sure. I fully understand. I fully understand, people, but please just avoid. Just watch these fucking live streams. You will get whole information. Why I'm like doing this fucking stand up for the 30 minutes. Because I told you already what's gonna happen with the price. What positions I have, when I'm gonna fix them, what price I'm expecting, what price wouldn't be. It means that we can talk about something else, but we're gonna talk about Bitcoin volatility. So the Bitcoin volatility is showing to me that from 22nd till 26, it will go up. Yeah, what it means? That higher the volatility, the bigger the move. So it means that we can move this line here and this line here. Everything else we don't need. Everything else we don't need. So we need to expect the bigger movement on 26th and 1st. If you've been listening to me, I don't have notes, I don't have nothing. If I'm gonna turn off this one, nothing here, yeah? I'm gonna go back here. Thank you, my darling. Thank you very much. Wow. Give me a second. Я могу тебе перезвонить? Да, спасибо. I want to buy the old Porsche 993 today, and this guy will help me to expect the engine in the car. So after the live stream, I made $70,000. Who am I not to spend $70,000? So, even after all this bullshit that I said to you, I didn't remember, I don't see nothing right now in the front of the chart, like zero, but I remember that we're expecting that the movement down will be something like before 25th, from 25th till 27, 28 we're going up, and then we're going down. So it means that if the Bitcoin volatility showing to me that big move on 26th and big move on 31st, and I've been telling to you that, guys, we could have really big movement on December 24th, 25th, and then on the New Year Eve, it means that the only thing that I need to do is to apply this information where we're expecting big moves on these dates on the chart of the fucking Bitcoin. And here we're gonna have, here we're gonna go down, then up, and 26 we're gonna go up. So it means, take a look at this. From 26, from here till here, big movement. Big move. You just analyzing the Bitcoin volatility, then you applying this Bitcoin volatility on the Bitcoin chart, and you will understand where the big move will be. That's easy for me, I hope that's easy for you as well. Then we have big move here. And again it goes up. Again and again it goes up. It means if you're listening to me, then you're receiving some information about the Bitcoin volatility. Oh, so I can do the same with the Solana and Ethereum. So Andrew told us that the Solana will... What Solana will do? Mr. Andrew, please, I didn't understand. What Solana will do? When I should buy? When I should sell? If I ever gonna go, I think in January I will do this. I will start the challenge of daily live streams on the TikTok, Twitch, Kick, whatever. I'm just gonna show you how to do marketing. I'm gonna read message in my DMs. That's insane. People with millions of dollars. People with insane problems, like you opening this page and you understand that this person will die either today or in the next 7 days. Like he's literally struggling in his life. Mr. Andrew, I've been watching you for the whole year, so when should I buy? You're not watching, you fucking scrolling. That's it, like, huh? How funny. This guy pretty sure that the price will go down in April. How stupid he is. Bitcoin to the moon. So basically, I need to read these messages and there's going to be a lot of people. So when should I buy? When should I buy? Can you tell me more about my asset? Can you do this? Can you do this? I was like, yes, of course I can. But why should I? Just explain me. Why should I? So we have something here. Yeah. And we're going to apply 26 and then we're going to apply first. So from here, bigger movement up on the 4 hour. And from 26, where's 26? Oh, first. One more big movement up. So I'm gonna expect that from here, the big movement up. But before that, on the 1 hour time frame, as I showed to you, we're gonna have the same big movement correction. That's why before that, I said to people, guys, be aware with the Solana. I don't know why. I don't like how Solana looks right now. It could be weak. It could be weaker than the Bitcoin, it could be weaker than the Ethereum, it could be weaker than your fucking meme coin that you're holding or you're trying to sell or to buy. I don't know why. I'm analyzing only Solana. It looks manipulative for me. I hope you understand. Okay, down with the Bitcoin volatility. On the daily time frame, the only thing that should be mentioned on the daily time frame, that from here, still the volatility will go lower till middle of January. My friends, please, right now, try to understand me. If we have that right until, like it means that ups, downs, like that, big moves, but the bigger movement will start from the middle of the January and it will last until April, for beginning of April. Right now, please pay attention, okay? Right now, please. Once again, if we have the daily time frame, bigger movement will start from January, middle of January, and it will last until the end of March, beginning of April. And we understand that probably whole market from the middle of January, or even from the 10th of January, going where? Going down, and the volatility is going up. It means that the movement down, I will show you it right now. Once again, from here till here, bigger volatility. What the Bitcoin showed to us? From here, the middle of January till March, the price still going lower, yeah? The Ethereum showing to us that the price going down until March. Please be aware of that. It means that if I'm gonna open the Bitcoin dominance, it will show me that the Bitcoin dominance this time going up. 1 + 1. Hello, Mr. Andrew, where you get to? You have only 1 and 1. What did you do? Explain me this, please. I don't understand. I was like, I took 1 + 1 and I get 2. 2 - 1 will be 1. 2 - 2 will be 0. Hey, Mr. Andrew, where you get this perfect 10? I don't have 10 at all. I don't have time to go in the swimming pool or in the ocean. I don't know. I go to the beach. Stupid metaphor. I know. I will punch myself in the balls after this live stream. You don't need to see this violence. So if I'm gonna go with the Bitcoin dominance, it will show me that the dominance from here going up. It's easy. When you're gonna start to understand, you're gonna spend 5 minutes by reading recaps or watching the live stream, okay, the time code showing to me, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. And I truly believe in 2026, I'm gonna start doing the shorter live streams. I need to stop explaining. But there is new people, and those of you who just follow me from the last video, you're like, what the fuck is wrong with this guy? I want to know what the Bitcoin will do. I don't want to feel myself like I'm in the 6th grade and I pee myself and somebody screaming at me. Yes, but unfortunately, you've been wasting your fucking life for the last 20 years or 15 years in school by using the same things, the same script as your parents, as your grandparents. You go to school, you go to university, you go at the job, and what do you have? What do you have? So that's why my system works of only strong one will survive these videos. Only strong one will understand. If you're weak, that's fine. Be our liquidity. We need to sell someone. Someone buying on 126, someone selling there. We need to sell to someone. It's calming me. Do you understand about the Bitcoin dominance? So why the hell in the previous few months I've been telling that we have a chance to see something like March, December 2024, something like March 2025, something like May and July 2025. The dates when I was selling, 12th of May, 21st of July, something of March, I don't remember, and 17th of December. Why? Because of the dominance. Take a look at this. Why I still expecting that January could bring us, let's say, 50% profit on the assets. Why I'm buying on 21st of November, why I'm buying 15, 17, 19 of December? Because this guy will go down and the weekly time frame, the same, will go down. This guy will go down. And when we're gonna, take a look at this, the same here, the same here. That's my expectations. If this guy will break movement down until the end of January, I have a chance to multiply my portfolio. That's why I'm buying every fucking dip. And that's why we're telling you when the dip will be. Because for most of people, the dip already happened. But for the private group, we're telling to people, we're going to be lower than this. We're going to be lower than this. We're going to be here, here, here. That's why I'm trying to buy. And that's why I truly believe that people understand what I'm saying and they trying to do the same. You know, back in 2021, one guy in government, Ukrainian government, he helping people to become political figures in Ukraine. He said, we have access to the television. We can put you on the television, but just tell me what exactly you want to give to people. I said, I want to show people that you don't need to hold your money in bank account. You don't need to give your money to some kind of smart people who's gonna trade, invest, or just who gonna manage your assets. You need to hold your money in your pockets and you need to be smart enough to understand that you paying 5%, 10%, 40% to someone who's doing easiest and stupidest thing in the world. For example, if my girlfriend will come to me and she will give me $100,000 and she will say, hey, can you invest it for me? I will say, yes, of course. If my neighbor will come to me and say, hey, can you invest for me this money? I will say, it's illegal, I can't do this. Yeah, but maybe you can give non-financial advice, something like that. I was like, okay, I will take 5% for this. She was like, oh, it's too much. I would say, okay. For example, somebody gonna call me, my brother or my mother, hey, what should I do with the gold? I was like, okay, let me take a look. For free, for perspective of my family. If someone from Ukraine will call me or text me, hey, what should I do? And I'm working on the Wall Street, I'm a suit guy, and I was like, yeah, you can apply here, you can make blah, 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 please sign here, 10%, $10,000, $20,000. I'm just gonna give my opinion, my legal advice, and I'm gonna get my commission. Or somebody gonna pay me for this. And there is a lot of people in United States, in England, or in other smart countries where people understand that I need to worry about my pension. I need to start accumulating money, buying some assets, invest my money. They pay in this 5% yearly. No, Mr. Fish, don't sell your money. No. Just hold your asset. Tomorrow, Bitcoin fly to the moon. Yes, don't sell it. Because while you're not selling, the next year you're paying him the same commission. We don't have hedge fund. We don't have this type of license. So it means that we cannot do this. I can only talk. What do you do? It's your profit, it's your losses. But when people asking me my opinion, I'm glad to share my opinion. And I'm telling to people, if I'm gonna show you. And here you need to do your own research. Alts. For example, I'm telling to people exactly the time I'm buying more. Guys, let's do stream about alts, 5-10 minutes. Okay, give me a second. Let's go back to the Buy. Buying more alts. I'm buying altcoins 25%. I'm telling to people, take a look at this. December 15, 9 a.m. It's something here. I will put the mark 8 a.m. So it's either here or here. Yep. Let's take a look where exactly it is. I'm gonna put this mark. Where is 9? 10, 9. I'm just telling to people, hey guys, I bought. Let's take a look at this one. Where is the buying altcoins? Buy. What the fuck is that? Buying more alts. 18 of December, 12:41 p.m. 18 of December. What do you want from me more? What do you want? Oh my God, you don't see the chart. You don't see the chart. Let me show you. Here, buying more alts. 18 of December, 12:41 p.m. This is the bottom. 18 of December, 12:1. 20, wow, 12:1. 18, and then the previous one, 15. It was on 15. Oh, here it is. 17 of December, both +1 part of altcoins, a lot. And on this live stream, I'm telling to people what exactly I'm buying. So let's take a look. 17 to 22 p.m. 17, stop flooring to the rain. 17, stop flooring to the door. Like, how will I know? And once again, where is 15? Mr. 15, please show me. I'm buying altcoins. 15 December, 9:28 a.m. 15 December, 9:10, 9:10. Between these lines. Movement up, movement up, movement up. So shut the fuck up if you don't understand when to buy, when to sell. I'm calling to my girlfriend, hey, Mrs. Sonya, please stop doing your job. Just buy more altcoins. She was like, yeah, I will do that. That's it. Then I'm telling to people. Sold. Starknet, my bet, sold too early. It goes up, then it goes down. Sold, but too many sold of options. Too many sold of options. Sold, too many options. We're trying to show also. Oh my God. I hope you bought it and I hope you sold it and the fixed profit. On the live stream I was explaining to buy 39 to sell 43. Maybe selling will help me. Selling... fix it, fix part, fixing partly longs. I don't need even give people signals because mostly the whole market will repeat the same action. I just telling I'm buying, I'm selling. I fix part, like always telling to people fixed, fix, like sell, sold. Go on the TikTok, you will find 12th of May, you will find 21st of July, I'm like video, hey guys, I'm selling everything. So that's the main thing. And people still, okay, I will pay this guy $20,000 so he will tell me how deep Elon Musk could fuck this moon or the Mars, or how cool Nvidia assets to buy right now. No, who cares about this bullshit? Just buy here, sell here. This is the price. That's where the price wouldn't be. That's the dates when we buy and when we're selling. Easy. You don't need to have 4 months courses from whatever whom, TGR or AlexFX or whatever other person. Why? Why I'm receiving so many messages right now? Give me a second, I will take a look. Maybe something wrong with the sound. Okay, everything is good. So I'm telling two people, I'm buying. That's why you always hearing from me, I'm buying partly. If I'm gonna take this 15 9 a.m., 17 2 p.m. and 18 12 p.m., the dates when I said to people, let's take a look with the 15 9 to 12. So we have 9, we have 2, and we have, where's 12? You see, not the best and not the best. But I'm explaining to people that I don't care. I know that the price will go up. I know that the price will go up every time. So if I'm gonna open my spot entries, everything up, up, up. The middle price, still something like maybe here, maybe like whatever. I'm trying to tell to people that I bought. And on the live stream, I said to people, I'm buying every asset here. And also I bought something like 5-6 additional assets. So if we're gonna go with every asset, which we see here, I hope that it will help us, yeah? I bought here, here, here. I bought here, here, here. I bought here, here, something like 18 here. Not always the best. Not always the best. Take a look. The compound feel itself really, really bad. Dot 15, 17, 18. ICP 15, 17, 18. Take a look at this movement up. 15, 17, 18. It means that I'm gonna hold this position until the end of January. You know why? Because of the dominance. That's what I'm expecting. We have this one, we're going up, we're going down. Right now I made update, we're going down, we're going up, we're going down. You don't need anything else. Everything was already written, predicted, set to you on the live streams, free of charge. And from January, I will start to do daily live streams. There was few guys who said, hey Andrew, you spending so much energy by trying to explain to people. Can you create new group for thousands of dollars, like the bigger, more expensive, but where you stop screaming on people, where you're not gonna express yourself, you're just gonna say, like the people from the Wall Street, yeah, I'm gonna give you advice, or something like that. I was like, maybe the next year will be the, how to say that, the marketing year for me. Why not? If the Bitcoin dominance will be here, it means that the altcoins could perform. Sorry for that. I'm not thirsty, but I need. Let's go with the Bitcoin futures. So the same, buy here, going up, buy here, going up. We didn't reach this price I was expecting. I'm not trading Bitcoin futures. So I'm still waiting for the price to go up until here. Nothing gonna be changed from the previous weeks. Nothing, zero updates. We're not moving these lines. If you do not believe me, go watch previous videos. Oh, it's not the Bitcoin futures, sorry, it's the Bitcoin market cap. Bitcoin futures here. Here is Bitcoin futures. Buy, the next buy here. I'm not gonna do any kind of updates. I'm just gonna stick to the plan that if we're gonna go lower, the lower part will be here. Right now, I do not expect price to be there. I'm expecting only movement up. I'm expecting to Bitcoin. Take a look, this is the Bitcoin futures. We have one bottom here on the daily time frame. But guys, once again, let me go back here. What do we have here? April, yeah? I think it's easy to understand that this flat movement could put lower the altcoins here on the March. Then I said to you at the beginning that April, the end of January, April or July could be the alt season, yeah? So if I'm going on the Bitcoin futures, this is the only chart that shows me different thing. it shows me that we're going only up, I'm gonna wait with my altcoins. Because for the Bitcoin future chart, it's definitely different from other because it has only 5 days in the week, not 7 days in the week. So it means that I'm gonna wait this, but before we're gonna have one more bottoms. We're gonna have these bottoms. It's gonna be closer to, you remember? The first 10 days of January going down. Here is the movement down. Then we're going up, going down, but still, once again, if I'm gonna go back here, if I'm gonna turn on my drawings, I'm expecting that we're going up, then we're going down until May. We're gonna have one more bottom in March, up. Here is the, from here, spring crash, spring summer bull run. Just go back for the 1 month ago and you will see how I'm drawing this. From here, summer crash, spring crash, summer crash. I truly believe that we could see alt season either at the, you know what? Let me say like that. It will be easier for people. Let's choose ADA, okay? Let's choose ADA. We have a chance to see that movement, or that movement. I hope that I explain myself pretty good. For the last 2.5 months, we're going only down. For example, only down. Then we're going up. For the last 2 months, we're going only down. Then impulse up. You know why it's happening? Because they don't care. They just fucking you. They just taking your money because you're losing money on the long, then you're losing money on the short. It means that people need to lose money. Right now, too many people talking about the bear market. No, my friends. No, it's still not. They just preparing to you. Before I'm gonna put duck in the oven, we need to marinate it. We need to put something inside like apples or I don't know. We need to give salt, pepper. They preparing you for the big, huge crash, which is going to happen at the end of 2026, the end of 2027. I think that the whole 2027 will be, I don't know how bad it could be, but it should be bad because people will be thinking that 2026 is bad. I will show you what people will think about it. People will think that here, and here, 2026, that's bad. No. After that, we're gonna have one more bottom. So people will think that here is bad because this is the 4-year election cycle. The second year of the new president is always bad. The next year will be better. Then they're gonna give you small good news at the middle of 2027 or at the end of, I don't know, March, April 2027. They're gonna give you good news here. Yeah, probably. But after that, they're gonna put another hand in your ass and they're gonna try to do something like that. So the end of 2026 will be one hand feasting. The end of 2027 will be 2, maybe 4 hands. That could be. Once again, mark my words. If it's not gonna happen, I'm stupid. I'm like, if it's gonna happen, you've been prepared. You know? Yes, you know. Bitcoin, weekly time frame, future shows me that we have bottom here and bottom here. Okay? Capish? No capish. You should capish. If you are in the market, you should capish as hell. You should capish fucking every second of the next 2 years. If you don't capish, don't ask me. But up, then down. I'm not telling you that the price will go right. No, before that I explain you where I'm expecting the Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the USDT dominance because USDT dominance giving us pretty good opportunity to be fucked up because if the USDT dominance going up, the crypto market going down. Before that, can I delete this? Green buy, moment up, insanely bad. Then moment up, insanely bad. Before that, we'd already delete everything. Moment up, insanely bad. Moment down, it means that the market going down. Moment down. Moment up, the bad things for the market. The red one, moment down. Take a look at this. Just go and check previous live streams since beginning of December. Just go and check. You will see how I'm putting these lines there and I'm not moving them. So right now I'm just deleting them. I don't need them. With deleting this, it means that from here we have one more correction. And what's gonna happen now? I want to see the first stop and I want to see the second stop for the USDT dominance. So if you want to ask question, what should I expect from the Bitcoin and Ethereum and etc., just go back in time and try to realize that I don't know how deep we're gonna go. I have these two zones, yeah, like 6.1% and 5.8%. But if it meant to be that the daily time frame gonna show us here, my friends, the same, the middle of January. If it meant to be to have pretty good bull run, the beginning of the year could start from the Santa Rally. It will be, let's say, Chinese New Year. If it meant to be, then it's gonna happen at the middle or end of January. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hold my position till there. What the USDT dominance will do if we're gonna break through this 1, 2, 3 times touching this support level, we're gonna go lower. And then we're gonna have this and this zone. So I'm just gonna expect that at the middle, Mr. Operator, please show me the camera. I'm just gonna expect that until middle of January or until the 20th of January, we will have pretty good movement up. God, please, I want to fix more profit. I'm greedy, I need more money, I need to increase capacity of my helmet, increase capacity of my school because my brains are too big. That's it. When you analyzing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then you making conclusion, use like, so this motherfucker trying to tell me that I need to buy in November 21, then 15, 17, 19, 18, whatever, December. And right now I have the last opportunity. Go back in October 2024, go back in September 2025, go back in July, whatever months you will choose. This year we're talking about when we're gonna buy. It's still not the selling. We're telling about the manipulative, the speculative, the short positions, or when we're selling, fixing profit for the private group. For you, we're telling accumulate smartly, accumulate your asset wisely. You want to buy Bitcoin? Like I read the message, for example, for those who bought Bitcoin for 125,000, right now you can sell it for 88, buy back for 88, you will still have one Bitcoin, but you will decrease your taxes by showing the losses from 125 to 88,000. Smart, maybe. You can do whatever you want. It's possible, but still, we're telling to people when we're buying. And for the private group, we're telling when we're selling. We want to be honest. We want to show you. I'm tired of showing. I'm tired of all these drawings. I want to draw, and after that, I want to press button, delete everything. That's it. I want to repeat only once. I want to stop giving people chance to watch live streams after live stream. Like the concert. Done, delete. I said, I delete this video. Like on the TikTok. Maybe I will start doing this. I don't know. I need to think about it. I need to create marketing strategy. Yesterday I have a conversation with the team of developers. They already made app. We need just to give them some like short notes about this. You know what it means? That after that we need to start only promoting the app and don't give a fuck about all these live streams. Don't give a fuck about all this prediction, forecast, etc. As I said to people, December will be the last month when I'm doing this. I'm tired. Maybe I'm gonna do funny live streams. Maybe I'm gonna do something like, I don't know. I will think about it. I will think about it because I know how the marketing works and I need to start doing the marketing. So 2026 will be interesting year. Let's say interesting year for many of us. So what we have here, the USDT going down, it means that I'm expecting that the whole market will go up. The total, nothing changed. Buy, sell going down, like, fuck, can I not touch anything? Big volatility here, yeah? You remember? Big volatility here. So let's just wait. I'm showing to people, we're gonna be here. Done, price here. That's it. Either you bought on 21st of November or you bought in the middle of December. Almost the same price. This is the zone where I'm showing people that you can buy here. I'm expecting movement up for whole January and maybe even until the beginning of February. Why? Because this is the total. All your bullshit coins are there. The total too, showing to us the same. Once again, buy, sell, going down, then buy again, going up. All these lines was given to you before. So I'm gonna wait until here. With the Ethereum, with the Bitcoin, with etc, assets. I'm not gonna go on the 4 hour, I'm not gonna go on the weekly time frame. Because if I'm gonna go on the weekly time frame, you will be afraid. But I'm gonna try to catch every fucking move. Same here. Just go back, let's say, on 20th of November, or go back on October. Go back on October video. You know what? I'm waiting for someone smart and famous to do video about Elcaro. So today we're gonna discuss the stupid scammers Andrew Elcaro trading and how they fuck their audience. Today we're gonna watch every live stream for the last year and a half and then they're gonna say, oh my god. Should I drop this video because people will know about this guy? It means that if more people know about this guy, they can trade his opinion, they can trade the fucking forecast of this system. Oh my god, this system is so fucking big. Can I put this glass in my mouse? Okay, he probably have the fucking insanely huge dick. I need to figure out how can I put my mouse on his dick so he will be in my hands. I will grab his balls. He will do whatever I want. He not gonna tell to other people when to buy, when to sell. He gonna work for me. He gonna work for the government. Oh, I need to like, please, could someone show me to other famous people? I can pay for this. I can pay for this. Like, because I understand as soon as whatever who, Michael Jackson will talk about me, will talk about our company, our algorithm. That's it, period. Rich and famous, you know, today, tonight. So on the BBC News, today we have, what's your name? Andrei Trush. What's your last name? Once again, TRUSH. Can we say true? Will be, yeah? Like 80 true, like your TikTok, yeah? Why 80? Oh, AT, like AT, like CJ, like DJ, like AT. Oh, Andrei. Oh, got it. Yeah. So when should I buy? So, like, people, oh, you know what? Sometimes I have a feeling like I'm fucking living in this movie. We're telling to people. Sometimes I have this feeling. Sonya, no capisco. Sonya, help. Can you give me something like the piece of paper? And there, just imagine, that's, let's say, liquidation, yeah? Just imagine there is people who gonna say that my girlfriend was in charge for this. Why you give me this much, Sonya? I almost destroy my phone, I almost destroy microphone. There is a lot of people who's doing this shit. Sonya, help. Help. Thank you. That's my fucking life. Like always the same. Don't look up, guys. Don't look up. The Bitcoin will cost $2 billion, etc., etc., etc. Just fucking believe in that. Just, you know how many times, you know what's the smartest thing in the world? We voting for people who gonna control, who gonna rule, who gonna help us to be better, yeah? They making new laws, they trying to give us something to make our life easier. The only thing that we need to do is to pay taxes. So basically the taxes, it's the budget for the cities, for the countries, and also it's the budget salary of the government people. So we voting for someone who was smart to set, okay, I'm going on the election. I'm gonna be president, I'm gonna be governor, I'm gonna be like whatever whom. But explain me why the smartest, the richest people, the fucking insane FBI, CIA, whatever other, I don't know, like Miss 6 James Bond, they don't know when the Venezuela war will happen? But still there is a lot of people who's telling to you, no matter what they're gonna say in the news, the price will go down. And then, Venezuela, Venezuela, Venezuela. I want to taste Venezuela food. Maybe, if my girlfriend will leave me, I want to taste Venezuela women's. But I don't give a fuck about the news about Venezuela. I don't care about this. I don't care if something goes wrong or whatever, especially if I'm receiving this information from the news. So you want me to tell that nobody in the government knew that something bad gonna happen. So just, oh, that's why the price go down, yeah? What's gonna be next? Like, just tell me, the Santa Claus will stuck in the chimney and that's why the price go down on the New York Eve? I don't know, the Grinch stole the Christmas. How stupid should be the people who's ruling the world, who's telling to us that they don't know, oh, it was accident. Like, we dropped the Epstein files, the Trump dropped the Epstein files, 140 pages of the black screen. It means that they're preparing you for the drop. Like, you know, we all waiting while the Beyonce will drop or Taylor Swift will drop the new single. Oh my god, I just been on the studio, she was singing, it was insane. I was like, oh my god, like, oh, shivers, oh, And then she dropped the music and everyone, I want to pay. How much money? Oh my god, Apple Music, I want to pay, I want to pay. Then she's making a concert. And everyone, ooh, yeah. They just preparing you. This is the fucking marketing. Epstein, 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 Epstein. And then in summer 2026, the biggest premiere on the Netflix. Today we're gonna discover who was sucking Trump balls while Clinton was in the pool. Capiche? That's why I'm always telling that they're gonna put me in jail. They're gonna put me in jail because I'm the fucking truth beater. Can I say truth beater? Sonya. And they are fucking Pinocchio. That's it. That's it. I'm slightly tired of this because I have a lot of problems in Ukraine about my tongue, about my brains, about my opinion about something that's happening there. People explain me that, Andrew, please. Everything is good, you're doing the right things, you're helping people to make more money, but shut the fuck up. Because we will help you to be in necrolog. Sometimes government people calling me and telling me, you can say this because you can save some people's lives. But also, when I'm analyzing the chart of the Ukrainian hryvnia, we could pretty be sure that something bad gonna happen on this date, this date, this date. So if I'm receiving some information about this, and then the chart showing to me that the bad thing will happen on this date, it's easy to take 1 + 1 and receive the fucking results. Always. In my opinion, July, Epstein files. Mark my words. Before that, they just gonna prepare us. They just gonna start the fire. They just gonna, I don't know, give everyone beer, you know, like the barbecue party. Yeah, hello, yeah, oh yeah, my wife is beautiful, yeah, no, yeah, here's the beer, yeah. You want a sausage? Yeah? Okay. No, meat later. Then they're gonna ask this Nusser ad to salt, paper, do whatever they want. Believe me, it's way more easier for me to express myself in Russian or Ukrainian. Way more funnier. Way more funnier. But unfortunately, it is what it is. The main thing here that all this smart, all this rich, all this powerful people just laughing after you. And I want to be one of them. I'm telling to you right now, this is the fucking 21st of December 2025. As soon as some FBI will knock at the door or whatever whom, and will say, Andrew, shut the fuck up, let's work together. I'll say, okay. It's happening all over the world. I'm not Che Guevara, I'm not your savior. Once again, I don't care how deep we're gonna go down, how deep we're gonna go, how high we're gonna go up. I'm trying to do something, but I know that I'm not fucking Da Vinci. I'm not inventing something. I'm not fucking Van Gogh. I'm not drawing something. I'm not fucking, I don't know, Messi. I'm not Jake Paul. I'm not making money. I'm trying to show people how to make money. And beside that, people giving me thank you and people grateful, people happy. Like yesterday, one guy texted to the bot and support team of the bot texted me like, hey, there's the guy who wants to say, like, he wants to send you money for the things that you done for him. I was like, he has the developer wallet. He can send whatever gratitude, whatever tips he wants on this same wallet. I'm not touching the money. You sending it there. I'm not touching the money. You know why? Because there is the law. And I don't want to be the part of something. Hey, Mr. Andrew, you didn't pay for these tips. That's not my tips. So if someone wants to do something, do that. If someone wants to go with the algorithm or with the private group, do that. I'm telling to you guys right now, like the end of December, I will try to convince developer we're gonna increase price for the private group for $300 or maybe $1,000. But there would be two options. Either we're gonna increase price for everyone or we're gonna separate group with the live streams, because I'm really tired of doing live streams for people daily. I'm really tired of this. So we're gonna think how to make more profit outside the market, because the next 2 years will be insanely bad for the people. People gonna lose the job, people gonna lose the houses. I will show you right now. I will show you one thing right now. So take a look at this. So we're thinking with my girlfriend to go somewhere, yeah? We're thinking to go somewhere for a couple of days just to have a rest in the desert, or we're thinking about the Hawaii also. Yesterday I bought a trip in the New York. I booked the hotel, I booked the business class. I want to book private jet, unfortunately not right now. So I have my free time, yeah? I have my free time. I'm looking at the car, for example, this car, yeah? I don't give a fuck about this Rolls Royce, but I need to get the car so people will be like, okay, he has this car. Take a look at this. Saved cars. Yesterday, I gave permission to my friend to send offers for every car. Every car. Because, you know, like, you buying some car, Ferrari or whatever, you buying the car and people like, oh my God, he's making profit. Now I'm pretty sure that he's making profit. I have a friend, he's always telling me, just rent the car. I was like, I'm not renting the cars. I don't need to rent the car. I said, whatever whom will accept my offer on 20% less, whatever whom, I will buy it. Here is the courses, 100 points on grip section 1. So I'm trying to learn how to be better driver of the motorcycle. There is, let me try to find, save my seat. I think, you see, like this course, not this one. I need to find, there is the course. One lesson cost $2,300. One lesson with the ex-MotoGP champion. I don't know from what country, I don't know what year, I don't care. I'm gonna pay for this because this is my knowledge, this is my experience. So here, take a look at this. Houses. Not best houses, not the cheapest one, not the expensive one. Like price cut $200,000. It means that this person will ready to sell it on $400,000 less. For example, not so many. I'm just looking at the houses. I put the price. Okay, I didn't did anything here. So I'm looking at the houses. I'm trying to show you. What's here? Porsche 911 2025. What's here? Urus. Like, I hate Urus. This fucking stupidest car in the world. It's a fucking Audi. I will never buy new Bentley for myself. This is the stupidest car. But still, I'm showing to people. Yeah, like right now, this is my search. This is my history of the browser. I don't need this car. This is the stupidest car in the world. But still, if people will see, hey guys, oh yeah, I need to listen to this guy. He knows what he's telling about. So the only thing that I need to start doing is to start applying the marketing on this. If you're gonna go with the Instagram, for example, sorry for long speech. Basically, I need to, where is that? Home profile. Yeah. If we're gonna go here with the Reels, take a look at this. It was posted 1 hour ago, but now look at the views. 23, 7, 42, 9, 31, 13, 29, 10, 20, 13, 16, 13, 22, 14, 32, 14, 18, 13, 55, 16, 37, 35, 23, 34, 14, 21, 21, 129,000. I want to meet these guys whom I said, hey, dude, skip the present for your friend on 15th of December, just fucking buy him any crypto. These guys, 2 weeks or months before it happened, met me on the street, they asked me the question. I said, skip the present. Then 22, 63, these two ladies, they was like, oh, camera, camera. All fucking bitches on the Rodeo Drive, especially if they're younger than 16 years old or 18 years old. They say, oh, camera. Because they all want to be the hack to a bitch. So they telling to me, Bitcoin price, I was like, I will give you $100 if you're gonna be plus minus couple of $1,000, right? What the price right now? 1 million. I was like, okay, call your dad. If he gonna pick up the phone and he will tell you that he gonna buy on the dates that I'm telling to you, your fucking Christmas and birthday, New Year Eve present. If he gonna say you by the phone that I will buy the days that this motherfucker tell you, I will get you and to your friend to fucking Hailey Bieber smoothie. Oh my god, dad, please pick up the phone. Dad, please, can you buy me crypto? What date? Dad like, oh yeah. This guy, the young guy from Ireland, 1.8 million viewers. What it means, for the last 2 weeks, I get 40,000 followers. As soon as we're gonna break 1 million, as soon as this guy who's running, yeah, Ashton Hall, as soon as the IShowSpeed, every fucking body whose you was, oh, it's funny, I will follow this guy, who's making insane money from selling you bottle of waters, from selling you, oh, I'm using this toothbrush, or something like that. As soon as we're gonna reach this, we will be impossible to reach. So that's why we're creating community, because community, especially people who's respecting us, will get all our attention, will get all our respect. From there, right now I'm telling, I will, please first camera. I want to make a challenge. Sonya, what do you want at the end of 2026? Whatever, tell me whatever. You want a house, you want a boat, you want a private jet? Tell me whatever you want. Don't tell my pipiska. People don't know what pipiska means. Okay, we're gonna figure out. But you want a house, yeah? But I'm still gonna buy a house, but I wanna make a challenge. I wanna get 1 million followers on Instagram for 2026. And I want to show it online for people. Like, I'm gonna do live streams. I'm gonna lock myself, but I need your permission for this. Because you the one who's struggling when I'm doing job. Will you give me 1 year of vacation with 1 day with you, whatever you want? We can do whatever you want. Sitting on the bottles, sitting on the... 1 day a week. I will be with you. The 6 other days, I will show people how it works. After that, you will get everything. All evenings, all nights, all mornings is yours, but through the day when you're working, I'm doing business. I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna log in and you will see how it works. I'm not trying to threaten you. I want to pee so badly. How can we do this, guys? How can we do this?
You go pee, I go sit.
Tell them something. Tell them something. Oh, you know what? Can you tell them what you're buying, what you're selling? Like, guys, for a couple of minutes, because I drink 2 coffee, I drink 2 glasses of water, I drink this matcha, and I'm drinking another cup of water, and I so badly want to pee. So my girlfriend will tell you what assets she's holding right now, and maybe you will tell them, as far as you remember, when you're gonna sell it. Tell them what's your target for this, okay? For a couple of minutes. Because I have a huge dick and it's hard to take it from my pants. Then when I'm putting it in the toilet, I'm always touching the water, you know, like the man problems. So I need a couple of minutes to dry it with the Dyson, like, it's like a thermos, you know? It's like a thermos. So please be polite with my girlfriend. She's traumatized with me, it's definitely.
Okay, guys, hi. I don't know which camera to look at. It's 1, 2 cameras here. Anyway, what do I tell you? I have most of my assets on Bybit, cryptocurrency, I believe. Let's see. Let's see what I'm holding now. Assets. Okay. Most of my money is in DOT. DOT was my first coin I ever bought, and I have a lot of it. Then Ton, Atom, Arbitrum, Optimism, ADA, ICP, Gala, and I believe Compound. Is Compound coin? I don't know. Yeah, that's it. Not much, but I finished buying for this year already. Last time I bought was like 2-3 days ago. That was my last entry. I'm gonna buy more next year, and I don't specifically have any goals. I don't know which camera to look at. I know that I wanna make double of it. So as I'm not gonna close any positions. Well, I'm closing them partly whenever. Honestly, I don't know much about it. I don't know what to tell you. I'm doing what Andrew tell me to do, and I listen to him, and I know a little, but not like him. So, yeah. He's still in the toilet, in the restroom. I don't know what else to say. Yeah, I'm not gonna be fixing anytime soon, and not gonna be buying anytime soon. My goal is to make a double out of what I have right now, and then I will be happy. Thank you for coming back, because I don't know what to say.
Yeah, thank you very much. Because there wasn't comments, like, you know, when you're reading comments, when you have conversation with people, it's easier to say. But when you have something like, thank you for letting people know about your targets. I truly believe that either in the next couple of weeks or even couple of months, you will fix the profit from that. You wanna take the dog, yeah?
Oh, no.
No, it's okay, it's okay.
One last thing before I go. I hope no one saw my books when I was down.
Oh my god.
No, you can't see.
You can't see, but it's...
Oh, sorry. Here is the dog. Here is the dog. Okay, bye.
Get ready, because I'm gonna finish right now. I'm gonna take a look at a few positions, as I promised to people.
It's 2 more hours until 3.
Huh? Yeah, I know.
Alright.
Okay. Thank you very much, goodbye.
Okay.
Yeah.
Used me. Just used me like this.
Hello.
We can let's make a wallet for me.
For me?
Crypto mini.
I was telling to her since March 2024, just create the fucking TikTok, Twitter, talk about crypto because she's beautiful, she's young, she's smart, like people adore her. She has better English, she has zero accent. People think that she's local. So as soon as the pretty girl will start to tell the same thing as angry Andrew telling to people, people will go crazy with that, will go crazy. But you're doing great.
You have comments turned off, right? You don't see any.
I'm not reading them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but they're like, I can turn on here or I can open the YouTube. But okay, good luck, take care. Bye, Sonya, greetings. Oh, she did great. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. I'm so proud of her because for the last year she made a lot of savings on her bank account, and she's also doing savings on her crypto wallet.
What I was telling is because I just like I don't know that much, and I just do what you tell.
You're just copying, yeah. You're just copying. She's just literally copying the information from the public streams. That's it. Literally, like no other.
And I've never been in big losses or like I never.
Yeah,
like, my account is very stable.
Stable, but also with the ICP position, you made $4,000.
Yeah,
You made $4,000. You bought it back, and right now ICP feeling great, but not so great as it was. So, okay, guys, what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna disable. I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna try to take a look on the couple of positions from the private group. I said to people that I will do this. No matter if I'm gonna look at the position, if it's already fixed, that's fine. I will show you what I'm doing mostly for the Ukrainians, but I want to start doing this for the United States group as well. But people mostly trying to use me, and I'm not happy with that. So where the other people position? Where is that? I cannot find it. I can't find it. Give me a second, please. What's happening? Why is jumping up and down? Okay, here it is. Yeah. So this guy sent me his position, Solana long. You gotta be kidding me. Someone sending me, like, guys, I didn't read that. I just, oh my God. I hope that there is gonna be other Solana positions. I'm gonna block this guy. He just sent me the position like I bought it. What the fuck? Here it is. It's more interesting. Let's take a look. So we have the Ethereum position, which are in losses, in pretty good losses, but take a look here. First thing first, I don't know why this person using the 150 leverage, but maybe he need to release the march from his position or whatever. I don't know the reasons why people using that type of leverage, but still, I will go crazy if I will see that type of percent in ROI losses. But if you're gonna use 10 leverage, it will be 300%. If you're gonna use 15 leverage, it will be 475. But let's take a look. His entry price is 3,700. Yeah. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna open Ethereum USDT, for example. We're gonna go here. His entry price is 37.28. Something like here, yeah. His liquidation price is, let's say, 1,300. His liquidation price lower than this low, so it means that if we're gonna reach his liquidation price, the price of the Ethereum will be 800 and lower. If we're gonna reach his liquidation price, he will not survive anything, because the Ethereum, I'm telling you this, we could see price of the Ethereum here. So the only thing that we need to figure out, yeah, like how he can manage this position and fix that in the profit. So first thing first, let's go back to where the price would be, where the price wouldn't be. So we knew that the price probably until the January will be something like here. And it's definitely not gonna be until 26. We're not gonna do updates. Until 26, we're not gonna be here, but we could be here, yeah? So I'm gonna stick to the plan where the price could be something here. It's easy target because this liquidity and this liquidity, it's pretty tasty level for Ethereum. So it means that I'm gonna expect price on 37, maybe $3,800 before 2028. I wouldn't expect the new all-time high for the Ethereum. Yes, we could see price 4,000 plus closer to April and July. I don't think that we will see price $4,000 closer to end of January, but also I need to make updated calculation. Oh, I have them. Give me a second. I have them. Give me a second, I'm trying to, oh yeah. Guys, let me check how many likes you gave to me, because I just remembered where I have all this prediction about the end of January. How many likes I have? 1.4k. Thank you very much, guys. First thing first, thanks to everyone who's dealing with me. I'm crazy, I'm stupid, I'm angry, I'm whatever. I'm trying my best to help you, and right now I'm gonna tell you where the price wouldn't be on the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana at the end of the month, January. Guys, the developer sent me this as gratitude and thanks to the guy, to our friend, to our business partner. One did something, the other give him like, okay, I will do that. So we're gonna start with the Ethereum. It will help to people to understand. So we have, can I show it to you? Like, because you probably need this, yeah? We have this, copy. So we have 30th of January, my friends, 30th of January. This is really important for me and for you. Why I'm thinking that until January, as I said, we could see price for $4,000, but not 4,200. So mark my word that we're not gonna be on $4,200. Slightly higher, please. Not gonna be here before 30th of January 2026. Period. We're not gonna be there. So we have opportunity to be here and here. This is about the January, guys. This is the daily time frame, how I'm analyzing every position, how I'm analyzing, how I'm dealing with the losses, yeah? So we have that we're not gonna be here before the end of January, before the huge movement down, yeah? Here we have huge movement down on the Ethereum. Here, my friends, closer to March, we could see price lower than 1,000. It's possible, but probably we will talk about $2,400, but lower than 1,000, closer to March and May is possible for March, May. So we have March and May, yeah? That's just whatever. So we're not gonna be here before these dates. So it means that we need to stick to the middle of the January, yeah? I'm not gonna give any other things. You all see them here. So how this person could get rid of his position before that date? It means like for the next couple of days or even at the beginning of January. If I were him, I will scale my position here on the dates that we've been telling, but it's impossible to go back. Yeah, it's impossible. We are right now here. So it means that if I'm gonna scale his position, what do we have here? His position, $58 liquidation price is too low. If he gonna make a risk and he gonna put twice amount of money or even triple amount of money to this same one position, either his entry price will be here or his entry price will be here. If he's gonna put 1x, his entry price will be here. Oh, sorry for that. If he's gonna put 1x, his entry price will be here. If he's gonna put 2x's, his entry price will be here. Yeah. x1, x2. So if he adding $60 here, he getting average price here. If he adding 60 plus 60, $120, his average price will be here. Let's stick to $60, not to break risk management badly. His average entry price, easiest target for the Ethereum right now. So what do I say to him? Like if the person will call me, hey, I need a consultation, I will make the whole calculation. But right now, either we're gonna do that movement or we're gonna trade here, then we're gonna go up. That's what I'm expecting. His entry price for me is not easy to reach for the next couple of weeks. It's not easy, but definitely something closer to the end of January, you will definitely close your position in profit. I'm not gonna go with every asset. I'm not gonna go with these positions. They all bad. You don't have liquidation price on some of them, but most of the position have liquidation price. If you want me to analyze your assets, you will pay me $1,000 per each asset. That's not gonna be cheap, because I want you to tell me I'm not gonna pay you. I don't want to waste my time. I don't need that. But I'm just telling to you, you have a lot of positions, you have a lot of stupid positions, but they all manageable. So the only thing that I will tell you, if you hold in this position since childhood, yeah, since the dinosaur were walking on the earth, just hold them. Don't pay me, don't pay anyone, don't buy anything from the private group till the algorithm or other signal groups. No, don't do that. Just hold your positions. Every position that will reach break even, either close part of the position or close whole position. If you afraid of some position, for example, what's the stupidest you have? Pendle, Flocky. Yeah, Pendle and Flocky, I think one of the stupidest position, but they're definitely not the biggest one. Yeah, small. So it means that it's not the position that you should worry about. You should worry about the position that has the closest liquidation price. The biggest one is near, the biggest one is inch, Sui, Ethereum, and Ondo. Just try to close them. Just try to release your march, because you have 11 position, everyone in long, you have 0 supportive shorts. Probably you're not making money for the last couple of weeks or days or months. You just watching how you paying funding fee for your position. So it means that your march going down. If you have opportunity to put more money in your positions, by just adding more liquidity to your wallet, that's fine. If you can close 1, 2, 3 positions, just take the losses, it will help you to survive your liquidation price. But I'm telling you right now, by watching this, your liquidation price is not reachable before March or May 2026. Before March or May 2026, either it's gonna happen at the end of January or in April, you will have chance to close all your positions. For me, person who's holding 25, okay, something like 10, 12, 13, something like $15,000-$16,000 losses. And we're talking about holding this position for a couple of months more. It means that if you're gonna close break even, 0 losses, 0 profit, you will be in profit for $15,000. There is a lot of people who's afraid, who's fixing the losses. I will stick to the profit. I will stick to the profit, because this entry, I'm not gonna analyze all other positions. I don't care about the other positions. It's too many positions. But your entry is not so bad. It's not so bad. But I don't know how greedy you are. I don't know where you want to fix your position. So just mark my words, closer till the middle or end of January. Just think about it to close your position at least partly. And if you want to scale some positions, just start not every position. Choose 3, choose 4, choose 5. You open 11 assets by someone's opinion or your opinion. You just analyze it. You just like, oh yeah, I think that we're gonna go up to the moon or whatever. Michael Saylor buying, open long position. So you did your, let's say, trades by using your brains or other people's brains, yeah? So it means right now, just average few of positions. No matter what position you're gonna average, do that from today till 25th. If you're gonna put the same amount of money, but the price is cheaper, it means that your average entry price will be better than the half of 2 sums. You open long from $1, right now price 60 cents. It means that $1 plus 60 cents divided by 2, your average price will be 80 cents. Easy peasy. But if you put in the same amount of money for the cheaper price, it means that you're buying more assets. Just talk to the ChatGPT about averaging, about scaling your positions. Ask him, if I'm gonna put the same amount of money, or if I'm gonna buy the same quantity of asset, what will be my average positions? That's the thing of explaining and teaching people what we want to do in January. I've been giving promises about December, but guys, I don't have time for this. I don't have time for a 3-hour live stream lesson. We will do this. My assistant, she's not giving me a time to break. Like, she's every day texting me, Andrew, please read that. I will try my best. So with this position, I probably explained to the person, I truly believe that we're gonna be here. I truly believe that in the closest time we'll be here. So if his entry price is here, I don't think that it will be too easy to reach that before the end of the January. But right now, if he gonna scale, he gonna have entry price here, 3,200, easy target. From there, expect price something here. Expect price till the end of January for the Ethereum, something here. Let's take a look at the other screenshot. Okay, the person sending me ADA. Let's take a look. ADA USDT. I'm not gonna tell you where the price wouldn't be because I need to do calculation, and I'm not doing calculation. The developer doing that. You are ace, don't apologize. Yeah, I'm not apologizing. I don't give a fuck about everything. As long as I'm not disturbing people, as long as I'm not trying to put my like my face in front of the people's face, as long as I'm not breathing, as long as I'm not pushing people, as long as I'm not like telling to the wheelchair guy that, hey, stand up and fight, as long as I'm not laughing like from that particular person, I don't give a fuck who's gonna be offended. No, I don't care about this. I'm not the type of person. I'm not the government person. I'm not the famous person. I'm not trying to be like the singer or whatever whom on the television. I don't give a fuck about anything. I want to be like Matt Reeves. I want to make jokes from the racism, from the disabled person. I want to make jokes from veterans. I want to make jokes about death. I want to make jokes about drugs. I want to make jokes about lesbians, about transgender. I want to make jokes about white people. I want to make jokes about black people. I want to make jokes about Asian people. I want to make jokes about every fucking thing. You know why? Because this is the democratic country, and I was born and raised in democratic country. Yes, in Ukraine, people more offended. Oh, what do you say about me? Here is the punch on your face. Oh, this is my tooth. This is the hardest punch that you can do. Even your mother was slapping me on my ass harder than you. Like, always the same. So I'm not apologizing. I don't give a fuck about the apologies. ADA, entry price, 37.8. Let's say here, yeah? Let's say here. This person already has a chance to get rid of this position because he sent me his position something like 18th of December. So this person already had the chance here on 20, on 19 to get rid of his position. But let's imagine the same thing, everything the same. Fuck, liquidation price 17. Okay, let's imagine that his entry price is here. Yeah, or let's imagine that his entry price is here. I still need to do educational proposal, 5 minutes talking about the ADA. Let's imagine that his entry price here or here. Choose whatever you want. Let's choose more difficult situation like this. His liquidation price will be lower than this low, so I don't care about his liquidation price. His liquidation price 0.17, it's lower than this. It's even lower than this. It's impossible to reach his liquidation price. Impossible. Not for these assets, not until the end of 2026. So it means that we have sell, buy dates on the daily time frame. I truly believe that you already fix your position, or you just fix part, or you reopen it, or you fix profit, whatever. Because we've been in 138 and your average price 137. And something like $200. Yeah, as far as I understand. Give me a second. 19, 137.8. Like, you've been in plus $50. Not the best, but way better than to be here right now. So let's think that you didn't fix your position, yeah? And let's think that this is your average entry price, or what you can do with the average entry price that you have right now. Yeah, like the same. If you didn't fix your position, then your average price here. But let's talk about this, like the way worse situation that you have right now. So the same, we have divergence, break in the middle of the channel, squeeze the channel. Can we go lower? Can we go lower on the lower time frame? Of course. So the only thing that I will tell to the person, if we meant to go lower, I think that this moment will be something like that. Either we're gonna reach this zone, or we're gonna drop way lower. I'm not gonna go back. I'm just gonna stick to the lower than this. So I'm gonna do that moment up, and I'm telling to you that the price will go higher than this. I think that until these dates, until the end of the year, you will see price something like here, here, or here, and here. I think that, let's say, take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, take profit 4. Take profit 4, leave like 20% of the position. So if your entry price is here, the price right now is here, or your entry price here, and the price right now is here, either put X1 right now. If you put in X1 right now, your average price will be here. Easy profit. If you're gonna wait until that, with this position, your average price on the X1 will be here. It will be easy target to get rid of the, for example, you have how many? $283 in your position. You put in the same $283 and you fix in the half of the position here. Everything from there will be profit. So I'm gonna expect the price to be here. I'm gonna expect to price. Terrible sound, you know, like when something buzzing in your head. If your average price here, yeah, 0.5. Right now price 0.36. If you're gonna put the same amount of money, the same amount of money, it means that your average price will be 0.43. 0.43. So it means that your average price will be here. It will be risky. It will be risky if you're gonna put by market the same amount of money, but like 0.5 was 0.36 right now. You put in the same amount of money. If you're gonna put the same amount of money, it means that your price, guys, why I'm putting always the same amount of money, because if we are in the long position and in losses, it means that I'm gonna buy more assets here for the cheaper price, because price go down almost on the 50%. But if you're gonna put the same amount quantity of the asset. Yeah, like here we're gonna see that, like your position 15,000 ADA. So if imaginary entry price is here and you're gonna add 15,000 ADA here, it means 15,000 ADA by this price, 15,000 ADA by this price, divided by 2, it's gonna be 0.63 or 0.43 here. The same easy target for me until the end of the month. So it means that I'm gonna expect that the price will go up on 18% until the end of the January. Give me a second. One person texting me. My friend texting me, you have a really good communication with your girlfriend. It's make me smile. You are молодец. Just try to translate word молодец. I'm молодец and Sonya молодец. Who we are молодец. Thank you very much. So that's my opinion, that's my expectation about this position. Dot. I love Dot. Oh, you know what I'm gonna say to this guy? Your liquidation price is not bad. Just think, act, and react like you bought spot positions. You bought spot positions, you don't have money to buy more, just hold, just wait until you're gonna be in profit or in the break even. Dot. Let's take a look at the dot. That's how my brain works. That's what I'm trying to say. That's what I'm trying to do. That's what I'm trying to show to people. Saying, yeah, I can eat like what I'm talking. Yes, thank you very much. Thank you, my darling. I love you. Oh my God. So guys, that's gonna be ASMR. Okay. We have a tuna ball. I'm gonna go back to the chart, but I'm definitely gonna eat because last time it was 5 hours ago, and probably I wouldn't have chance, and it would be disrespectful for my girlfriend. So sorry for that. That I'm gonna chew or make sound or bon appetit, my friends. You can make money by shitting, by fucking. While you're shitting, while you're fucking. Let's go back. So 185.6. Okay, this person already been in the break-even price. Let's imagine that he didn't fix anything. He was in the break-even in even more, like on the 20 leverage, something like 20% profit. So it means that here he has $125 of profit. Here on 19/21st he's been in the profit, but let's think that he wasn't in the profit. 125, 85.6. Okay, I think that this asset, oh my God, it's so fucking insanely good. Okay. If I'm gonna go here, we already reach all my targets for the dot, yeah? It means that I just need to buy it. If I'm gonna go back here, I'm gonna say that as far as we've been analyzing for the last 2 hours, the price of the crypto, and we understand that tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and right until 25th, the price could go lower. We need to understand that the whole market could do the same. So what I'm gonna expect, I want to see the price to go lower. Maybe it's gonna be in 2 impulse from here and then from here. That could happen. I'm gonna wait until 25th. If I were you, I'm not gonna buy here. I will buy lower, either 1.7 or at least 1.72. Your liquidation price is 138. It's not good liquidation price because it's easy for this asset. Take a look at this. Guys, don't forget to take a look at the USDT chart. So basically, for this asset, it's easy to be here. Your liquidation price is not good. Just mark my words. Maybe if not today, if not this year, but we could see price there. And either from here or from here, I'm gonna wait for the price here, and then I'm gonna wait price here. Yes, I think that we could see price closer to middle of January. You know what? Even here. So this is gonna be pretty insane profit. I don't think that you will be liquidated. I don't think that you need to scale this position. Don't do anything. I also don't think that the manipulation on 24th, 25th will be insanely bad. But guys, leave a space for 77.79. It's still possible. It's still possible. I don't believe in this. I don't want to see price lower than 85. As I said at the beginning. Hi Andrew, hope you are well. Blah blah. Okay, thank you. Minus $5,000. XRP. Average price 191.6. XRP USDT. Yeah. Okay. Go down. The last time when I was looking at this chart, we break through every level, and the same probably will be here. Oh, we still didn't reach 1.7, 1.4. Believe me, the price will be there. All this retarded person who's telling about thousands of dollars for the XRP. Oh my god. Oh my god. You need to put them in jail. That's the fucking insane. Give me a second, please. Guys, give me a second. I forgot to call to guy who gonna help me with the Porsche. Give me a second. Just a tea break. Здорово, прости, я просто веду прямой эфир, до сих пор пизжу там. Что, ты поможешь мне? Да. Скажи, сможешь ли ты приехать на мой адрес? Отсюда проедемся вместе. Либо я тебе могу прислать адрес, это 5 минут от меня. Он нас ждет в 3, можем там без 10 у меня увидеться, либо без 5 там. И слышишь, тоже вопрос. Мне вернули крылья с мотоцикла для покраски. Хочешь, я сразу их возьму, тебе дам. Просто в черный цвет покрасить. Окей, давай. Тогда я тебе присылать мой адрес или тот адрес? Давай, договорились. Договорились, пока. This guy was in situation with the apartment building. I explained him what to do. How to write the email. How to ask them to refund him 2 months of his rent. They refund 3 months. I'm so fucking proud of my brains. I'm telling you. They did a really wrong thing. He called me. He said, please give me advice. I was like, I'm not a lawyer, but do A, B, C, D, E, send the email, go to the leasing office, tell them that please check the email. Done. 3 months refunded, and they ended his leasing account, agreement a couple months before the ending. Okay. 190. Okay, same here. Like when this guy sent me, he was here. We go down. I don't see his liquidation price. I don't understand his liquidation price. Yeah, like, my bad. I was busy. I didn't analyze these positions. Let's think about it, people who has, let's say, entry price here. Yeah, let's just imagine. Your entry price closer to that. It's a bad position. I don't see his liquidation price, but it's definitely not the small position. Yeah, 50,000 of the Bitcoin, of the XRP. I don't know what leverage he's using. I don't know nothing about this position. The only thing that I see, he fixed part of the position in losses. Or, oh no, he didn't fix the part. He scaled his position. Okay, I got it. Buy mean he scaled this position. What we can expect? What we can expect about this asset? I don't like how it looks. And guys, as I said to you, for example, I'm first time looking at the XRP for the last couple of days or weeks. It looks bad, almost the same as the... Guys, I don't like how it looks. Because first thing first, I don't like how the chart looks. Give me a second. Can I take a look a little bit more? Can I make a statement? Can I make a statement? Guys, I'm slightly afraid of the movement on the XRP and Solana. I don't like how it looks. I don't like how it looks. Okay. But still, I need to do conclusions, yeah? So what I'm gonna wait? I think that we could do something like that. But closer to this date, yeah? So I need to redraw on it. Let's say that's gonna be long movement down. Yeah, I think that the XRP could do something like that. So to get rid of this position, person should scale. Either you can scale right now or just wait for, let's say, the same 1.9, 1.8, like this zone. If you're gonna scale right now, you need to put x2, x3, so your average price will be something like here, something like here. If you're gonna put x1, it will be 3.4, 2.7. Two, 2.2. 2.2, it's gonna be 2.2. If you're gonna go put the same amount of XRP, your average price from here till here will be that one. It's not working. So it means that you need to put double. If you're gonna put double, your average price will be here to $2. So it means that you have a chance to get rid of this position before the next movement. Guys, I don't know why I cannot right now. I think we should have something like the XRP. The XRP should be here. And guys, what I'm trying to say, that probably in January I will start a lot of that type of the live streams. XRP, December 26th. $207. Okay, so we're not gonna be here. Not be, and we're not gonna be 226. So it means that we could be here and also 169, yeah? Give me a second. 169, 150, 169, 169. А в мене нема. Sonya mother discussing with her my ex-marriage. She was thinking that I have a kid. No, I don't. How the guy without the balls could have a kid? What? Once when I was a kid, I made a blowjob for myself and I made like accidentally vasectomy, or how to say that, so I don't have kids. No matter what the Epstein files will tell you in summer 2026, that wasn't me. Did you saw that the Ukrainian passport appear in the Epstein files? I was like, okay, nothing new. Дуже смачно, дякую. Okay, guys. Like, I don't like how it looks. I don't think that it's gonna be huge. But please. I don't like how the XRP looks. I really don't like how the XRP looks. Yeah, the XRP could be here and here. On the beginning of January. You know why? Because XRP is stupid asset which people buying for $3. So it means if we're gonna go with the XRP in 2018, people buying. I bought XRP. I told people like, hey guys, I'm gonna buy for $4,000. But I bought it for 170 something, 180 something. That's the coin which people gonna hold for years, for decades. Because they would believe that it's gonna be the second Bitcoin. And you know what? When they're gonna fuck everyone with the Bitcoin, they can make XRP new Bitcoin, but before that, they're gonna lower the price to the same 50 cents, something like that. Maybe not 50 cents, because 50 cents busy with the PDD, but 70, 90, $1 is really possible for the price, really possible. I think that 1.4, that's the possible marks. But I will truly believe that we can see the price here. Either it's gonna happen here, or it's gonna happen even like, yeah, the worst thing with the XRP. I don't like it. We've been on 177. We could go to 127, 130. And slightly lower than $1. I don't like it. Let me update the Bitcoin for myself. Two weekly time frame, need to turn around, go up. Weekly time frame going up, daily time frame going up, but still until 25th we could see that movement. So two options, either we're gonna go up or we're gonna. Once again, I cannot say right now, that's why the cover of the live stream, what's next, question mark, because right now it's easier for me to say where I'm not expecting the price. The impulse up wasn't good. So yeah, I think that we could see that movement down until 25th. That movement down until 25th on the higher time frames. Guys, please pay attention. This is the 5 hour, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Once again, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hidden bearish divergence. I think could be manipulation down till tomorrow. The manipulation was the small one, but once again, it wasn't manipulation, my friends. I will explain you why. Because we didn't have impulse. Manipulation, in my opinion, it's impulse down. We just have a movement down, then movement up, movement down again. And right now we're going down. So when this, that, and that will do the same movement down, and also this one, that could give us one more movement down. So I would expect on the 1 hour time frame, yeah, that could be like that. So sorry if it's disturbing, sorry if you don't understand. That could be that, or that could be that moment. So we have, sorry for this, that. I'm showing you the direction of the movement. Just mark my words, we have 2, 22nd, 25th. So as soon as possible, like in the next 2-3 hours, the Asia session will start. They could bring the price down. It means that when the London session will start, I will try to show you right now. Let's take a look here. Yeah. So the Asian session begins in the next couple of hours. Yeah. We have the movement down, which gonna last until tomorrow evening. Asian putting price down, London doing some kind of flat movement, and then the in New York putting price lower. So once again, 1, 2. After that, the Asia putting price up, the London gives us something like accumulation. New York put the price up again, down, up. I hope that you understand my perspective. So before the next movement, I will expect 2 more buying dates. It's 22nd and 25th. It means that from today, tomorrow, the price could go lower. Then we're gonna rebound. Guys, like this, up, down, up, down, up, down, like this. I'm expecting the same fucking thing. We could go up, down, but 2 buying dates, I'm gonna leave here and here. Same here. I'm gonna leave them here and here. As it was before. Can I delete these lines? Deleting. We don't need them. This is the 1 hour time frame. To be more accurate, we can go on the 15 minutes time frame. But if I'm gonna see the 4 hour new divergence or the 1 hour divergence, I will try to notify people. I'm not telling you that I'm gonna do this, but I will try. Also, if I'm gonna go back here, this is the last thing that I made for the people in the private group. You will understand this. So if we have that the price wouldn't be here until 30th of January, yeah, we're not gonna be here. Lower battery, I need to stop talking about this. I'm telling to you that before the end of January, we're definitely gonna be here. You remember at the beginning of the live stream, I showed you how the price was given to you, where the price definitely gonna be on 15, 17, 19. So we're definitely gonna be here before the end of January. Definitely. We could be here, anywhere here, but we won't be here. This is the main thing that you need to understand. I think this is the easy thing to understand. I hope that you love this live stream. If you're new to this channel, please don't trust this fucking motherfucker stupid face. Just check the information, check the social media, check the comments, check the... If you have bad feelings, bad thoughts, you want to write a bad comment about me, it's fine. Thank you very much, because you promoting me, you helping me to get more attention, because that's how the algorithm works. You write any comments, we're receiving more attention. If you're a hater, I hope that you have both legs, both hands, both like parts of brains, both eyes, both tits, both balls. I hope that you're healthy enough to live your fucking shithole life as long as you can. Because people like me, we need servants. People like me need someone who will do dirty job. Like 2 days ago, I made a huge shit in toilet. I pressed the button and it didn't go down. I was like, what the fuck? If my girlfriend will woke up, she would be proud of me. But I start to think, I need to call to the guy who's making amenities, yeah, here, who's making some job, and ask him, could you clean my toilet? It's embarrassing. It's embarrassing to see. It's embarrassing to ask, even to do. But I was like, okay, I will risk. I will risk. And I do this one more time. I flush the toilet one more time and everything go through. I think that because of the dog, sometimes we put in the like napkins and the wet napkins in the toilet. It's mistake. But probably sometimes we're doing this, and probably there was a lot of them, so I don't know. It's not because I ate elephant. Oh, no, I'm not. I'm the small person. If I'm gonna give a huge shit, I'm gonna jump all over it. Definitely gonna jump. Not always. What I'm talking about? Oh my god, so fucking disgusting. There should be people whom you can call and they will clean your toilet. There should be, and 99% this is either haters or people who lose their faith in themselves. Today early in the morning, my friend came to me. He's the handyman. He's doing a lot of things. He's trying to help people. He's trying to his best to survive, to live his life. He bring me the parts for the motorcycle, which need to be painted. So it means like I need to pay my money for this. And he told me, sometimes I'm listening your voice messages in the Ukrainian group. I'm driving my car and I'm so pissed off because you laughing from basically me. But then I'm realizing that you're trying to motivate me. For the last 2 years, every fucking week you've been telling to me, please stop doing what you're doing. Let's start doing something else. Just tell me what you want to do. Just tell me what you dream about. Just tell me what you passion. Just tell me, I will help you. I will give you the script of your life, because you're fucking 40 years old and you're wasting your life by doing someone's lives easier. Like I call him, I need to change exhaust on my motorcycle. I paid almost something like $3,000 for the exhaust. The same exhaust here in the United States, it costs $7,000. I asked him, hey dude, the Ducati store asking me to pay them $500 for changing exhaust. How much you will charge? He said, no, just a beer, let's talk, let's spend some time. I was like, no, I'm gonna pay you. I paid him $200. Not because I cannot pay to the Ducati. I understand that my friend need money. This is the first thing, because he's breaking his back for the whole day for $200. And here we're just gonna do this together for a couple of hours. We're gonna change fucking exhaust. I told him like, hey dude, the brand new exhaust, which was on the OEM parts of the motorcycle, it cost $400 on the marketplace. Do you want to sell it? He said yes. I said, all your money. So a lot of people, a lot of whom I know, they struggling from this stupid decision in their lives. I've been there. I was the ambassador of the poor life. I was the ambassador of discount. I was the ambassador of, before you're gonna buy something, you're gonna look at the price, you're gonna ask for discount, you're gonna calculate, you're gonna think how much more I need money until the end of the month. Can I afford this? Do I need this? I was that type of person. My father, my mother, they still doing that, and that's fine. I have this quality in my brain, so basically every time when I'm looking at something, I'm doing this. But come on, guys. You think I need this second fucking laptop just to show you on this screen the picture of the forest? You think I need this $6,000 or $7,000 lights? I need this laptop. I need these things. You will listen even if I'm gonna be like using the braille, you know, like the blind people reading with this. You will learn the Ukrainian language if it's going to be the only language how you can get this information. You don't need all this stuff. You don't need that. You think I need that? I bought it to make few short movies, to do something. I paid a pretty good amount of money for the script, for the short TV series, for the Elcaro. We still didn't make it because I opened the fucking Zcash. I showed 2 weeks ago like how big was my losses. Last couple of days, I'm showing people, I think, $22,000 profit from the Zcash. Right now, I'm just, let me take a look. I don't need almost anything in my life except time, money for food. I need to live somewhere, I need to sleep somewhere. But it will be boring if you spending your life just to pay your bills, just to survive. I truly believe that we are making something great. I truly believe that if one day I will be in trouble, that it didn't work in Ukraine. Ukrainians is the most hateful nation in the world, and I truly believe that every person who's giving the bad vibe to other person, they deserve the bad thing that's happening in their life. It didn't work with the Ukrainians. They just moved me out from the country, and I don't give a fuck about that. You know, like, if I wouldn't have money, if I was thinking only about, like, I was forced to close 4 business in Ukraine, 4 business, different incomes. Then I closed the last one, the 5th one. If I wouldn't have money, I wouldn't have a choice. I need to say, oh, I'm so sorry, guys. My bad. Oh my God, sorry that I'm choosing my life, life of my family. Sorry if I don't want to wake up with all these alarms. Sorry if I don't want to have a chance to see how the rocket fly through the city and hitting apartments, houses, hospitals, whatever. My bad that I have a chance. I'm so fucking embarrassed, but please, could you still buy my service or products? No, I don't want to live that type of life. I want to be free. I want to be free from judgment. I want to be free from people, especially stupid people. There is a lot of people in this world. We all live in our life, and we all think that our life is the only way how the life should be. We all tell into other people how their life should be. But 99% of the time, we don't give a fuck about our mess, about our shit life. We're just trying to give advices to other people. That's why the Russia in Ukraine right now. That's why something bad happened with the Israel or whatever, Venezuela. The people who think they are smarter, like for example, I made the mess with the matcha, yeah? I poured the matcha on the table. Just imagine, I'm starting to tell that the Sonya, it was your fault, you give me the matcha. Or I'm going to my neighbors and I'm trying to tell them, you need to clean on your kitchen table. You need to clean, it's too dirty in your room. Or the same situation with the toilet. It literally could happen with anyone. Especially like, you know, the huge paper towels. My girlfriend always throwing them to the toilet. I don't give a fuck about that. I really don't give a fuck about that. It's like, whatever. We're just gonna pay for everything. But I don't need to have this situation in my life. So when I woke up, maybe there was this paper toilet, something like towels, etc. I don't know. But in the same situation, just imagine. I'm going on the penthouse floor, knocking on the door, and I'll say, you need to clean your toilet, not my toilet. So people coming to the Venezuela, Iraq, Iran, whatever other country. And they tell into people how they need to live their life in their country, in their rooms, in their houses, in their apartments, how I need to feed my kids, what car should I buy. Like a couple days ago, my girlfriend said, like, there is a guy who made a mistake with the buying of the first G-Wagon in October. On the 10th of October, he bought not the G-Wagon which I paid. He delivered this G-Wagon. I was like, that's not the G-Wagon which I bought. take it. In 2 months, he delivered me the new G-Wagon, the other one, which we bought from the first time. But while we didn't bought it in California, because it was in some other state, it go to the California, from California it moved to the Ohio, so I paid for the whole delivery $3,000 more. My money. So this guy made the video about this. My girlfriend read the comments. Every fucking poor bastard telling to the guy who made the video, who making monetization on it, who's probably sold the advertisement in this video, who's promoting himself, how I'm dealing with the problems, how I'm saving people's lives, like with the expensive cars. The poor bastards was texting, oh my god, what's wrong with these people? The previous interior, even if it's cheaper one, it was still the G-Wagon. He need to change girl, not to change the car. Oh my god, how simp, yeah, the guy who's making everything for the girl, simp, how simp he is, etc, etc. I was like, why there is no fucking nuclear bomb who gonna erase every fucking stupid person? Like, I'm not talking about retarded person in the meaning of medicine. I'm talking about the people who first time in the morning, what's happening with the Kardashians? I need to tell Kardashians, okay. Why? .99% of the time, most of these people who think that they know better how we should live our lives, 99% of the time they live in the shit life, insanely bad. You know, like I need to go to dentist because I'm feeling that something happened with my teeth. I need to check it. You know, the first thing I need to do is to check my teeth. So I'm telling to Sonya, Sonya, the better dentist in Miami. Let's go there. She was like, oh yeah, like we have a vacation, we have a trip, and I'm gonna go to the dentist, which I love. But it started to bother me slightly. I'm drinking cold, I'm eating sweets. Sometimes something I feel with my teeth. I'm smart. I'm old enough to understand that in a meaning of time, if I'm not gonna do something, maybe something bad gonna be with the teeth. So with the tooth. I'm telling to Sonya, we need to do that. Sonya said, yeah, just let's buy tickets. Let's go there in February. I was like, what? No. I need to go there like next week. Yeah, but still it's the Christmas, it's the New Year. Maybe next time, maybe they're not working, maybe this. So I need to fix my problem. And I need to do it for myself. I'm not gonna tell Sonya, oh, we didn't go there, my teeth is hurting or something like that. No, it's my problem, it's my life. But I want to be honest with her. I want to tell her that we can go together, we can do this together. If you want, we can have a rest, we can have like 3, 4, 5, 7 days. We can go to the Orlando, we can go to the Disneyland, whatever. There is always opportunity to make your life better. But if I'm just gonna close my eyes and I'm gonna pretend that right now, zero feelings, nothing bothers me, and I'm gonna close my eyes as long as it's not extremely painful, the next time when I'm gonna wake up and I will tell to myself, my life will be mess, my life will be in pain, I couldn't sleep, I couldn't eat, I couldn't drink, and then I'm gonna call to the doctor and I will tell him, hey, can I come today? He said, no, February. And I was like, fuck. Maybe while February, maybe I should go to Miami. I'm gonna check the tickets, twice the price. It means that every time when we're doing some decisions, when we're doing something, we need to think before it happens. I was explaining to my psychologist how I see the life. Every time when I need to make a decision, every time when I need to do something or to go somewhere or to talk with someone, I'm imagining like I'm staying in front of the forest. The enter to the forest is open, like this is the hole in the forest. Everything there is dark. I don't see nothing. If I'm gonna step inside the forest, it means that there would be less light. It means that there will be colder. It means that there will be probably something that will disturb me. If it's bad forest, I need to figure out what's behind my back. What's coming from the right side, from the left side, what's happening there. I need to go through the forest, or I need to go to some, I don't know, like some spot inside the forest. Should I find something, or should I find someone? Should I run? Should I stay? Should I sleep on the trees, under the trees, whatever? So every time I'm thinking about what will be there and how it will affect my life. And almost every time I'm thinking about the worst combination of probabilities. We're trying to show you the same with the chart, with the price. And I'm happy that like 5 times out 6 or 7 times out 10, we are right. Sometimes we're right 10 out of 10. Sometimes we're wrong 2 in a row. Sometimes we're wrong once per year. Or we made the small mistakes, and mostly that mistakes just because of me. I'm expecting price lower, I'm expecting price higher, and I need only trust the system, not to trade the price. I need to trade the fucking time. So every time when something happened, I'm happy to read the good message from people who respect, who said, oh my God, you saved me money. Oh my God, I made profit. Also, it bothers me to read the bad message. It bothers me to read messages where people telling like, hey dude, I lost everything or whatever. Also, I want to be able to meet, fucking retarded. Give me a second. Алло, тип с Порше отменил на сегодня, он может только во вторник. Пиздюк, блядь, ебаный. Прости, пожалуйста. Давай я тебе либо привезу тогда крылья потом. Ну, короче, давай созвонимся, я закончу этот эфир. Да, говори. Давай. Давай. А во сколько ты можешь его пригнать? Давай, знаешь, что поступим? Давай я просто его заберу после того, как я закончу работать. Я тебе наберу, ты скажешь, куда подъехать, окей? Да, давай. This guy restore Corvette 1973. Maybe some of you saw. I've been driving it for a couple of days. He restored it. He made insane car in the perfect condition. So I called him. I said that the guy with the Porsche canceled the meeting for today. And he's telling me, maybe you want to buy my Corvette? Maybe I would, maybe. Thank you very much, comma. Then let's try to meet on Tuesday. Have a wonderful day. You know why he's texting me that he probably cannot meet with me today? Maybe someone offered him for a couple thousand more. And it's honest to tell me that I have one more offer, but while he's doing this type of thing, he told me that he's leaving the country on 27th of December. So it means if nobody gonna buy the car today, and Tuesday it's 22, 23, he gonna have 4 more days. So if I'm gonna hold until 26 and I'm gonna send him offer on 25% less before he gonna fly to whatever country he's flying, I don't give a fuck about his car. I don't give a fuck what the price he wants, what the price he asks, what the price cost this car on the market. There is no such a thing as the price tag. There is no fixed price for anything. It's impossible to tell to people that the price of the Bitcoin will never be $60,000 or whatever. It's impossible. That's the game. That's only the game. I don't need this car. I don't need this Corvette, but why not? This guy selling the insanely, like, amazing quality restoration Corvette for $20,000. The cheapest one costs something like $7,000. The good quality car costs $12,000. But I know this guy. I know how crazy he is about the cars. How he doing his job. And I always know that I can call him and he's gonna fix anything that's gonna appear there. I don't need Corvette. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna offer him $15,000 today cash or $20,000 in house finance for 1 year. Like, I'm gonna give you money, but for the 1 year, 1,000 per month, 2,000 per month, because I don't need this car. But if I can get it, maybe. Okay, I think I talked too much. I think this was a great live stream. Thanks for watching. I hope that you understand what we are expecting for the next week and until the end of the year. Two bottoms, 22nd, 25th, and one more bottom could be from 28, maybe 26 till 31st first. 31st first, that's the main thing, because here 1st of January will be almost the latest one. It means that almost everyone who's watching this live stream, you already will be in 2026, while I'll still gonna be walking around the streets drinking champagne. I don't know what I'm gonna do on the New Year Eve, but I'm still gonna be in 31st. So just be prepared, don't be greedy, fix partly, as always. That's not the last live stream. We're still gonna have one more on 29th of December. I hope that we're gonna have it. If we're not gonna go anywhere with my girlfriend, I'm gonna do live stream. If I'm not gonna do live stream, I want to say thank you. 2025 was pretty interesting year. It was a pretty good journey for me, for you, for our team. We're trying our best to give you as much information as we want. We can do more. We want more. But not right now. You all saw the power of the algorithm. I was insanely in love with this thing, and right now I'm in love with this thing. So you know how it works. I think later today when I'm gonna come back home, I'm gonna check the app because I need to give notes. I promised to give notes until tomorrow. I'm gonna check the app. Either we're gonna drop the free app for 1 month, 30 days trial version or whatever. I've been talking to the developer because a lot of people asking, is there a trial version of the algorithm? I said, no, I will explain you why. Because every person should be turned on manually. You send in your trading view nickname, we turn on the algorithm. Then if you're not extending your subscription, it's automatically turn it off. We're deleting you from the group, and then we need to turn you on once again. It's time. It's something that cannot do automatically. So maybe we're gonna do on the next live stream one-time offer, so you could get 3-day free trial or 3-day not free trial for the algorithm. I don't know. I need to start hiring people, team, PR, marketing, assistants. Don't send me like, hey dude, look at me, I want to work with you. I really don't have time right now. I don't have time for this. Like, you know, like I'm doing this live stream because I feel like I'm free to talk with you. I'm free to be honest. I'm free to tell you something important or something that could help you in the future. But also I understand that before that call, I need to spend time. So from here, I'm gonna go and check the Porsche 911 933. I'm watching a lot of YouTube videos right now. It's 1997. 933, I think it's 933. Yeah, 993, sorry for that, 993. I'm choosing between 964 and 993. My friend who helps me to do video on the Rodeo Drive, 2nd week in a row, he's just wasting his life by doing moving job for a couple dollars. I think $12 per hour by moving heavy couches. I don't know why life is so unfair. I don't know why we all cannot be smart, healthy, why we can't be rich. But there, as I said, there should be people. There is always a reason why this particular person need to get this experience. Bad, worst. I want to turn on the bad mod. I want to turn on the scripted mod. I want to turn on the liar mod. I want to turn on the basic influencer mod. Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys. This is maybe 2026 will be this year, but still, I'm grateful and thankful for 2025. I'm telling everyone goodbye. I hope that the next year will be great. Merry Christmas to you and to your families. Happy New Year to you and to your families. Stay safe, be rich, be smart, be profitable. Please remember, everything in your hands, everything. I'm not gonna say and I'm not gonna promise that there would be or won't be live stream next week. I will try to do it. But please remember, it's not my job. I'm doing what I want to do. And you cannot affect this. If you want to know more, watch previous live streams. If you want to know more, join our private group. It's still insanely cheap. It's one of the cheapest, even in Ukraine. When one of my friends called me and said that in Ukraine, the average price for the group is $300. I was like, excuse me? So just mark my words. As soon as possible, we're gonna increase the price. We will think about it what to do with the old users, because right now old users not increasing the price. Definitely the price wouldn't be increased for the people who bought the whole year of group. As I said, I will try to create the expensive, the more VIP for VIP membership. People asking, will people in private group get access to the app? Of course, for additional payment. Maybe we will create some promotion for people from the private group. Like, okay, if you don't have money for the algorithm, we will do this. Guys, everything in this world is the commercial. Everything in this world should be paid. Everything, especially information that giving you chance to make more money or to save your money. Because if you're gonna listen to this retarded TV box or read the Twitter, you're just gonna lose constantly until you're gonna lose everything, and then will be the next move like, okay, I need to go back to school, or I need to go back to university, I need to start from the beginning, okay, I need to use my saving account, okay, I need to do that, maybe I need to use my credit card, maybe I need to do that. So there's a lot of options to use it wisely. I'm using the credit card all the time. I'm using it wisely. Yesterday I bought business class tickets in New York for free. You know why? Because Amex paid for this. I'm spending money, they giving me points, they paying for my business class trip. That's it. 2 tickets, back and forth, $3,000. Because we bought it a couple months before the trip. I'm not retarded to buy at the best time, the end of April, the beginning of May, trip to New York 1 week before the trip. It's gonna cost $6,000, $7,000, $10,000 for the business class. So the Amex paid for this while I'm using the Amex card. Zero chances to not to be profitable with that. There is a lot of tricks, there is a lot of hints, there is a lot of life hacks which you can use in your life. The only thing, you need only information, or oh, you're gonna get only information, or you're gonna use this information. Because if we're gonna talk about, like, for example, I send the whole links on every car, a lot of cars. If my friend, like the dealer, will negotiate the price, I'm gonna show you, hey guys, here is the $300,000 car, $200,000 car, or $400,000 car. I said him the most expensive was the SF90. I don't need this car. This is the stupid car. This is the most depreciation Ferrari. since early 90s probably, but still people will put their trust in the words of the person who will have the fucking horse behind his head, not the Mustang, not the Ford Mustang horse, but still the Ferrari horse. People will put their trust and people will listen to the story which I'm trying to say. Oh my god, I'm afraid of this, Andrew. But if people want, we need to do that. We need to start doing this live stream. So I'll try to show you how we're increasing the followers, and then people will start. I will tell you, people in Ukraine doing this. I've been following you since 2016. I've been following you since you've been driving this stupid car. I've been following you since your first relationship. I've been following you since you've been doing this, that. So they memorize some like part of my life, and they think that I will be, oh my god, thank you very much. Here is $100 for following me. Oh my god, thank you. Since my first video on the YouTube, I've been talking about money. That's it. People who want to join me, they go through the same way with the different results. People who don't want, who just eating the same salad or tuna bowl, like, oh, this guy is retarded. I'm good with that. So we need to start doing this. Unfortunately, I don't have friends who's free to do bullshit video with me. Every person here thinking about how to pay their fucking bills. I'm the same, but you know my thoughts. Should I pay for the bill through my bank account, through my credit card, through the crypto card? I have a crypto card as well, like the USDT will be used there. Or should I pay with my business account? Same question. How should I pay my bills? But mostly people thinking, how should I pay my bills? How I'm gonna pay my bills? Oh my god, no money, I need to work more. I'm not lucky person. Zero luck in my life since childhood. I was struggling to win anything. You remember all this, find something under the Coca-Cola cap? Zero. Never. Lottery tickets, whatever. Never. I'm buying the meme coins. This meme coins going to the zero. Never. But still, here I am, still fighting, still trying to do my life of my closest people better. And I truly believe that your life became better for the last year. So okay, thanks, take care, love, peace, profit to everyone. God bless you. See you next time. I don't know when it's gonna happen, but we're gonna meet one day.